All right, we are live. Nice. Okay, yeah, we are live, guys. Let's do this. We're just gonna have to load up the charts again in a second. I just have to make sure the sound and everything's connected okay. We're pretty much ready to go, guys. Let's go. Then we'll just wait for the numbers to load up. We'll wait for everyone to join us, and then we'll just continue on to what we're doing. And I just need to log into Tradeovate. So if you just bear with me a second. Okay, that should be logging into our account. All right, so who's been trading live today? Well, not live, but who's been trading today? Who's managed to catch any nice trades today? London session's been absolutely crap for the past week, well, week and a half. The better moves have been coming out in the New York session. So if I can see an entry, I'll go for it. If I can't see an entry, I'm not going to be taking a random entry for no reason. Everything has to be with a game plan, guys. Yeah, I'm not quite sure why the music was so loud. No, I'm not sure if TikTok's even pushing the live out right now. That's strange. Let me check YouTube. Let's start a poll on YouTube. We'll do a different question today. 1 second. Boom. Markets are just a bit slow and choppy this morning, so we're not rushing in to look for a trade. We're just going to take it easy. Any of you guys trading NASDAQ? Orex, oh my god, Orex, you're going, mate. You're blocked. Look, I'm gonna tell you you're blocked before I block you, because we don't do signals, you fool. Right, there you go. Orex trader is now blocked. That's good. Salutations, brother. How you doing? How you doing? Is it? I can't say your name there. I don't know how to say that. KXith. Is that your name, brother? Good morning. How are you? Keith, how you doing, my brother? How you doing? Okay, let's do a poll on YouTube. Let's put in which trading session do you prefer? Nah, yeah, actually we can. No, let's do where are you in your trading journey? No, let's not do that question. Let's do what's your biggest challenge as a day trader? Nah, let's not. Okay, let's do this one. This one sounds good as a poll. Have you ever traded with real money? That sounds good for a poll. Bang. Can go there, and the answer can be yes, I'm live trading, or it can be only demo, well, let's do yes, I'm live trading, no, I'm only demo. Start the poll. Keith, yes, I'm good morning. Leroy, morning, brother. How you doing? Good morning. Leroy, the music's not too loud this morning, is it? Sure. It was a bit loud earlier on, so I'm not sure if it's too loud right now. Music is good. Nice. Omar, happy. Good morning, brother. Good morning. Good morning, guys. I'm just on a bit late today, so I'm not even done no analysis or anything at the moment. Ba-ba-ba. All right, let's go. We are ready. Oh, Jay Trades has joined us this morning as well. Danny, oi. Good, good. Home. Omar, how are we? Rah. Bears Von track record. Scammer. Rah, you fool. You can stay with us anyway. We'll just cuss you for a bit. Omar, happy. We got nothing else to do, so we can definitely cuss you for a bit. Omar, happy. Today was a very good day for me. I hope all of you same. Yeah, 2K up. Oh, Omar. Oh my God, you 2K up already. Good lad. That's what we like to hear. That's a long name. Chatra Dilip. Thank you very much for following. Thank you so much. Wow, that's a bit loud on my side. That's better. Keith just followed. Thank you very much, Keith. Thank you so much. Rara93, what the hell are you doing? Are you still with us? Or have you just like left a comment and left? Do you know what? Yeah. Do you know what I've noticed? Yeah. Do you know the people who leave dodgy comments like this? Like scammer. It's like scamming what? No one's even taking nothing from you. Like scamming what? You know what? Do you know what I've noticed about these guys? Yeah. They're shit traders. They don't know how to trade themselves, and they're probably not making no money in the market. Johnny Soto, bro. Johnny, I have news for you. Johnny, what news do you have? I hope it's good news. I hope you've like done something good. Tell us the news. Tell us the good news. Omar happy. Today was testing 15-minute strategy inversion. Okay. I just hit my biggest trade. I'm in a top ticker from the other. Oh my God, you swing trading. Swing traders in the house. How much money in how much profits are you in, bro? Right, that's good. The music's not too bad. All right, let's go. Let's see. Did you know what? The markets have been looking lame. Boom, boom, boom. Let's have a look at the. Why is it looking different on the 2-minute? Let's go on 30-minute. Let's look at that. Oh, mate, why? I can't find anything. Okay, this still is a point of interest. There's still a point of interest here. Up there. It has left a fair value gap as well. But I think below there's a better point of interest. So we still got this area here. Price taps into that area. I'm not taking no trades unless I see something happening on my side today. Johnny Soto. I came in here last time and I said how my parents think I'm depressed. Remember? Yes, I remember, bro. I just hit for 6.6k. I'm a request a fat payout tomorrow. Johnny Soto, well done, brother. Yeah, how do you feel now? Do you still feel depressed? What are you gonna do? What's the first thing you're gonna do when you get that payout? You're gonna take your parents out for a meal. That would be nice, wouldn't it? Take them out and it's all on you. I'm sure you can, like, you don't even need to take that much money to really take them out for a meal. You could just put couple of £100 maximum if you want to take them out for a nice meal, like super luxury. Just put about £500 to the side, then, but a couple of £100, if that, you can take them out for a very nice meal, all on you. Leroy, watch out with Alpha, they block. Johnny, one second. Watch out with Alpha, they block a payout. Wait, are you talking about Alpha Futures? Leroy, sorry, are you talking about Alpha Futures that they're blocking payouts? Omar, happy. Johnny, congratulations, mate. Yo, Johnny, we're so happy for you, bro. Johnny, have you joined the Discord? Johnny Soto, bro, you have to take a quick peek at my story. Literal top tick. No, we believe you, bro. You're so excited about it. And you come on after a few days. And the last time I spoke to you, you were telling me you were so depressed about trading as well. But yeah, no, that's good. Oh, nice. Look at that. Yeah, FSSS something. Ha ha ha. Little trip or something. Johnny Soto said like $500 getaway weekend. Yeah, that would be nice. Take your family out. Take your parents out. That'd be nice. And you'll have some. You'll have some money on the side, but then you know you've got about 6k left as well on another side. Or I'll take my whole family for like $1,000 or $1,500. It's up to you, bro. It's up to you. Johnny Soto, no, I haven't, bro. Where can I join? I'll put the link in the chat if you just bear with me 1 second. I'm just going through all the chats. 1 second, bro. Dong, dong, dong. I keep doing dong, dong, dong because my son keeps playing Mortal Kombat. And that's what happens when fatality comes. Dong, dong, dong. Join Discord. Yeah, there you go. There's a link in the chat. You can join the Discord from there, bro. Make sure you put your cert in there as well. Show everyone that you've actually smashed it. Put your payout cert in there. Yeah, Leroy, you got 16.7k on hold. Yeah, but is that 16.7k? Is it Alpha Futures? Leroy swearing at them. Johnny Soto, no, my family thought I was depressed, always staying. Oh, yes. I forgot that part of the story. Yes. They think that you stay indoors and you don't do nothing and you're depressed and you need to get out a bit more and all the rest of it, isn't it? But now you made a 6.6k payout. Yeah. Take them out. Take them out and show them what you're about, and then show them what your life is going to be like. Don't get too excited and too carried away if this is your first payout, because you don't know what happens. Like, sometimes you could take a big payout and then the rest of the time you start hitting losses and you hit a wall and then you get like stuck again. So like, just take it easy. Just go out with them. Don't overspend and go crazy and like spend your 6.6k on a champagne bottle or something. Just like relax. Just relax. Just take them for a nice meal, chill with them, have some fun, take your mind off the charts. Now you can start relaxing a little bit that way. Jaspri, hey, what's up, man? I was right about that SSL, sell side liquidity, being taken out. Oh yes, you were right, bro. You were right about sell side liquidity. Jaspri, if I'm not wrong, was it was you? Is it Jasper? Are you Jasper on the Discord? And you sent that message last night? I'm keep getting an echo. 1 second, guys. I keep getting an echo. I think my mic needs to be put down a little bit. The mic was too loud. And the music is literally died. All right, is that better? That's better. Yeah, I kept repeating everything and my words kept getting jumbled up because flipping the mic kept echoing back at me. Okay, that's a lot better now, guys. Where are we on the chat? Let's get back on that chat. Bum, bum, bum. There you go again. Bum, bum, bum. Leroy, yeah, bro. Yeah, Alpha Futures have been having a bit of a problem, Leroy. Especially that they shut down their premium accounts. They stopped taking messages on the Discord and everything. Like, it was real shit for them. But now they've sent a message out saying that they're going to give the payouts out, but they're going to give the payouts out in batches. So, Leroy, I don't know if you were on the premium account, but first they cancelled everyone's payouts, but I think everyone like kicked off about it. So now they're saying they're going to give the payouts, but they're doing a rollout of payouts in batches. So I don't know how long your 16k is going to be on hold for, but that's a lot of money to be on hold, bro. But I'd rather it be on hold knowing that you are going to get the payout rather than them completely saying no, we're not paying anybody out, because that's what the first case scenario was. They were saying we ain't paying anybody. Johnny, yes, haha, we bonded with how you used to drink and whatnot. Johnny Soto, do you still drink? Do you still like go out and party it up, or were you just like focused on trading and just locked in? Oh, Johnny Soto already hit a big payout this month. Oh, wow. So it's not your first one. Oh, wow. Killing it, bro. Killing it. You know, there's a lot of people that I started speaking to literally about 3 months ago when I started doing the live. I think it's been about 16 weeks since I started doing the live. Yeah. There's so many people I spoke to. There's so many people that started off and they've dropped off and they don't come back on. There's some people that join on like once every month, like Sierra. Yeah. And then there's some people that actually stayed, and I've watched these people grow, and Johnny, you're one of them. Going from saying I'm depressed to now telling me I'm getting 6.6k payouts. Oh my god, bro. That's a story in itself. That's crazy. Then Leroy, I don't know what Leroy's been doing. Leroy's been flipping killing it from day one. I remember first time when I spoke to Leroy, he was like telling me about his payouts and stuff, and I was like, wow. And I was like, yo, if you're getting all them payouts, why are you joining me on my live? Because I was like literally new to live, and then everyone on the lives thought, yo, this guy's chatting shit, you don't know what he's talking about. Leroy stuck with us, bro. That just showed, man. That just showed, bro. Leroy, respect to that. That's absolute killer, bro. Leroy said, they say I trade news, but I never do now. It also, but we will see. Oh, is it because of that? I think that's just an excuse, bro. Leroy, that Alpha Futures is making an excuse for a payout. If I was you, I'd just like, yeah, I'd speak to someone in management. I'd go down on that hard. I'd tell them, I don't trade news. What you talking about? Why are you like chatting shit because you don't want to give my payout? You have to tell them. Johnny Soto, this is my first 5-figure month, but I've had multiple other payouts. Johnny, that's absolutely crazy. Make sure you join the Discord, bro. This is good. Your story is amazing, bro. There, the link is in the chat for the Discord. The Discord is for free, so anybody can join us. Whoever wants to join us can join us. And make sure, guys, you're all hitting the like button And let me just put the chat page on so you can know, because, well, not know, where you can see what I'm so you can see exactly where I'm at on these chats. I'm just going through the chats. Oh no, not that screen. That was a good screen though, wasn't it? Yeah, here. That's where we are with the chats. So I'm just slowly going through them. Oh mate, what am I doing? Where's my chat gone? My chat's disappeared. All right, we'll let it load up again. All right, here it is. Yeah, Jasper is Jasper. Okay, but I lost. Okay, but I lost $200. I'm on my Asian session for my growth 50k account of Tradeify, so I'm just waiting for New York. Oh, okay. I get what you mean, bro. Don't know where my chat's disappeared to. Yeah, I don't know where the chat went. All right, the market looks like it might be. Let me just drop down to the lower time frames. Looks like it's started to. Oh well, hopefully it changes direction. Let's have a look. I'm not quite sure at the moment because we've been very bearish, very bearish. My chat's just disappeared, guys, so I'm just gonna like load it up. It's loading up. GB Trader, no one's running in losses. Nobody's running in losses. Though you're running in losses. You're blocked. Always, bro. I got your back from Leroy. If you are live, I'm in. Yeah, man. One of my old timers. Tell me about it. J Trades, where you disappeared, bro? We need J Trades back in the building. Where is J Trades? J Trades is hiding. He's hiding. Do you know what J Trades are trying to do right now? He's scalping, like oversizing, over leveraging, scalping, trying to smash some profits. Jay's here, brother. Just logging in early for work. Oh, you're working from home, yeah? Join the Discord. About to go to sleep. Catch you later, money. Yeah, man. No problem. I'll see you later, bro. Imagine that. Jay's trying to do like some scams and that. He's just trying to like oversize, over leverage, and force some trades. Yeah, bro, but office day Fridays now until October. That's not bad. So what? Every day you're working from home except for Fridays? Nah, not when I'm funded. Jay says not when he's funded. I feel like scalping myself, you know. I feel like getting involved. Oh my God, Leroy, yesterday I did a dopamine hit. That's what I'm going to call my trades. The trades where I don't follow rules, I'm going to call them dopamine hits. I did one yesterday. But it was about $260 loss, so it wasn't too bad. But it was a dopamine hit. Still not got my screens back, so basically sitting at. Oh, okay. Yeah, don't worry, man. Price action's not been the greatest. Oh, but I did like the price action in New York session. Leroy, did you catch anything in the New York session yesterday? Bro, check the earnings schedule for today. Where do you check your earnings schedules? I don't look very deep into the fundamentals like that, so I've not really got a place where I go in and check the earnings schedules. I just look at the only what I've told you guys in it already. Like I just look at this ain't gonna have the earnings schedules. I just look at Forex Factory and FX Street for my economic news. But where do you look at the earnings, bro? Tesla, Google, big names dropping, earnings whisper. Is that what it's called? Earnings whisper? Sometimes I look at this. This is FinWiz. This just shows you like where the stocks are at. So like you got Nvidia, all these dropping. Apple's like it's gone maroon now, but it was red. Microsoft, Google, Like it's all like that, if you can see. So that's what these are the only ones I look at, but I don't even on this website I don't look deep into this one. Let's look at where's it gone? Let's look at what Jay's trading. Earning Whisper. But is it earningswhispers.com? My mind just goes gobbledygook when I look at these kind of this website looks like a newspaper. Remember newspapers back in the days? Like my brain just goes gobbledygook. Like I don't know what I'm looking at. Yeah, bro, I got a website, but X page is where I go to. Oh, okay. Leroy, no, I take a few days off, fan time. Next week I'm back. Okay. Oh, what the hell happened there? Next week you're back. Locked in on the charts, Leroy. Yeah, I said it to you yesterday. Oh, wow, dopamine incoming. That's the one, bro. That's the one. That's where the dopamine was incoming, bro. The little dopamine men in your head says, take your trade. Trust me. X just followed. Thank you very much, X, for following. J Trades calendar at the top left. Don't hit the calendar. And then what? You just select a day. Any day. So if I select today's date. But let's not consent that. What? Oh, okay. But then does this give you a time, like when it should start affecting the markets, or is it just overall like a certain period? Yeah, man, forget that. I can't look at that too much. Our brain's like misfiring everything right now. I just look at this. This is all I need to see. If I see something red, I know that's it. At that time, I'm not trading. And then if I hear it like on CNBC or something like that, if I hear it, okay, there's a war, or if there's markets crashing or something's happening, then I'll know, okay, I'll know exactly why price is bombing in a certain direction. And that's it. I just follow that trend. How Simran, are we seeing shorts on NQ? Possibly. We've been dumping. So like if we go to the 30-minute time frame, like we have been pushing down, but this can be a retracement into a certain area, and then price can just start pushing back up again. So yeah, we're not really, it's just in a range at the moment. We're not really going up with momentum, neither are we coming down with momentum. So we're stuck in a bit of a range at the moment. Because that price action to me there is just, it's whack. I don't like it. So let's have a look at the 15-minute time frame. See, like that, I don't like that. I'm waiting for some nice price action, and until I don't get it, I can't take a trade. But if price comes into this area here, then I might start looking for buys. But till then, I don't know what I'm doing, so I'm just sitting out. I'm sitting on my hands right now, Har Simran. And Har Simran, you didn't follow us, did you? Make sure you hit the follow button. We need you following us, guys. Henry in the building. Thank you for helping me yesterday. Changed a lot for me because I'm a beginner. Henry, did I help you yesterday? I talked to so many people. I don't even know if what did I help you with yesterday, Henry? That's wicked. See, I talked to so many people. I don't even remember who I've like try to help out or not. Like I try and help out as many people as I can, but I forget the names. I'm very sorry, Henry. J Trades, not sure when before one opens. Drop, normally nothing interesting there other than financials. Oh, okay. Yeah, I don't really, I'm not deep into the financials. I don't really know too much about the financial side of things. Oh, you showed me how to short. No, yes, no, but I remember that when I went like this, I said, I went like that. I said, bro, you just got to press the sell and then you just press this big red button down here. Oh, Henry, man. Shall I show you how to buy as well? You just press this button there, yeah, and then you smash this button down here. But then what you got to do, make sure your unit size, this thing here, your unit size or your contract size or your lot size or whatever you call it, make sure it's a decent size. You don't want to oversize on that part and then blow your accounts quick. J Trades, my main goodies are after close, probably is 9:05 p.m. Oh wow, wicked. Henry showed me how to short. J Trades, it's all like banks and stuff. Oh, okay, I get you. Yeah, man, I'm just not, I do understand it, but I'm just not too clued up on that side of things, like all the earnings with the stocks, and I don't deep dive into the company itself. Like knowing the earnings of each individual stock and company is like deep diving into the company, which is good to know. It's just that I don't deep dive into the companies because I'm more of a technical analysis trader, because I think that works for me. And the only thing I really need to know is when the news event occurs and which way the market's heading. So if it's a red folder news event, you know it's going to be volatility, but then are we going to be pushing up or down? I follow the market, so I follow the market footprints. Once it leaves a footprint, I know, okay, price comes back into this area, I know what I'm going to do. So I just follow the direction that the institutions, the banks, the hedge funds, the smart money's going, and I just try to be like one of the smarter retail traders, but not so smart when the dopamine hits kick in, because that's when like I need to really control myself when I'm trading. As soon as when the dopamine starts saying to me, take the trade, and I shouldn't take the trade, but then I still hit the trade, I'd be like, okay, I still take it. Yeah, that's where I still need to control myself. So there's a learning curve, man. Every day is a learning curve in trading. J Trades, yeah, fair enough. It's crucial data and will influence that for sure. Yeah, man. J Trades, like if tech earnings are weak, we can develop a bias from it at almost. Yeah, we can. Leroy's laughing. Trust me, those dopamine little bastards in your head, gotta fix them out. J Trades, basically another stream of information to help you guide your strategy. It's another confluence. It's another confluence, bro. The hardest thing was, yeah, trading, yeah, it's hard, but I just seem to have just make things difficult for myself. Yeah, I went from like not even going on to the demo accounts, soon as start putting real money in straight away from the day go. Yeah, then I started learning it, then I started understanding it, then I started losing all my money, then I went into prop firms knowing I'm losing, and I still putting my real money into the prop firms. It's like, mate, you're losing on your personal account, why are you still putting real money into prop firms? You're gonna lose, you don't know what you're doing. So I went through that whole phase, yeah, and then I started, then I understand it, then I got it, then I thought, okay, now I'm gonna switch things up, start doing okay, start doing well, start being disciplined, start sitting on my hands, waiting for an entry to play out, take the trades, doing so well. Yeah, then I get bored again, then I'm like, all right, I'm gonna start doing live now. Then I started doing live, and then I started like talking too much on the lives, and then I started missing my trades, and then I analyze the trades, I mark the whole charts out, and then start second guessing myself. Then I get analysis paralysis, that I can't just click the button to just say, okay, now I'm buying, now I'm selling, and just executing that fucking trade. So yeah, everything I did in trading, I just made everything difficult for myself. But we're here now. Leroy saying dopamine is just like my ex-girlfriend. No love and it always costs you money. Achiever just followed. Thank you very much. Trust me, man. Dopamine's like your ex-girlfriends. Like Forex is like your ex-partner, whether you're a ex-boyfriend or ex-girlfriend or whatever you are. But Forex is like your ex. It just doesn't cost. Your ex probably didn't spend more money, or your ex probably didn't cost you more money than Forex cost you. So Forex has to turn into an X as well. That's why it's Forex, because like Forex really batters people. You just lose all your money. So Forex is like a girlfriend as well, ex-girlfriend. And dopamine is like your ex-girlfriend as well, but in many different ways. That emotionally, she can emotionally destroy you. The dopamine can emotionally destroy you. Your ex-girlfriend can emotionally destroy you. Your Forex can emotionally destroy you. yeah, you have to take these little bitches with a pinch of salt. You can't like have too much of them. You just got to like take them in small doses. Leroy, you didn't know my ex. Haha, bro. Mine as well, bro. Mine was crazy, bro. Crazy. I don't want to say too much. My wife will probably be watching my live and she'll be like, you bastard, you're talking about your ex-girlfriend. Dush, knock me out. What's happening in these markets? Paw, what's happening, Paw? Miko, OG, Rafiq, Trina, Ordinary, Millionaire in the Making, Name, Elia, Jackie, Omar Happy, J Trades, Leroy, Day Trading Futures, Day Trader. What's happening? Grounded in the house. What's happening, everybody? Anybody managed to catch a trade? Anybody managed to catch any trades today so far? Bro, I've got to a stage. We got David in the building. Yeah, I've got to a stage where I'm just like fed up of Austin in the house. Is it Sanchez? Sanchez in the building. Yes, man. I'm getting fed up of, do you know, like I don't mind now. I like waiting for an entry. I've got so bored and sick and tired of entering a trade for no reason. Like force trading, revenge trading, fear of missing out. Like, I hate it now. Like, I don't want to trade that no more. Like, before I used to just get the urge and think, okay, yeah, I'm just gonna fucking trade. Like, obviously some days where I think, okay, I think the market's gonna go my way, then I might take an entry. But even if the entry is wrong, it's fine. I'll still sit on my hands. But before it used to be, if I take an entry and it didn't go my way, I'd get so excited. And like my dopamine will kick in, my emotions will play up. I won't be able to control my emotions. My psychology will mess up, and I'd just enter the same exact fucking same trade again. But at this time, I'd oversize, over leverage, force the trade, create the entry that's not even there, and then boom, the same thing happens because the market wasn't even going in that direction that I kept forcing the market to go into. That's what you have to remember, guys. You got to remember that you can't control the markets, but what you can control is when you're clicking buy and sell, and what you can control is when you're following the footprints of the big players. So you just let them lead and then you follow. So let them lead, let them show you the clear path, which direction they're going in, and then when they come back for a retracement, bam, that's when you get on. Then you get it, man. Then you catch that trade. But to do that, you have to wait patiently, and we can't wait patiently. Well, we can't now. Well, I can now, but we as a whole, like as humans, we don't like to be patient. One, we like to be safe. We like to see green, and we like to be safe, and we like to be in comfort zone. We don't like red. We don't like to see the red zone. We don't like to see the red color. We don't like to see the minus, because we like to be in the comfort zone. So as soon as we see red, we start putting our stop loss lower and lower and lower, thinking, yes, price will return, price will return, price will return. Price ends up blowing you out. And then if it does return, we don't let price go into green and then let the winner run. Which as soon as it goes into green, $10 up, bam, you close the trade. But now that trade went on going to black, flipping $2,000 or something stupid like that. Yeah, man. So that's what happens. Basically, another stream of information. Dopamine like my ex-girlfriend. Leroy's ex was crazy by the sounds of this. Miko blew 3 fundeds today. Miko, what prop firm were you trading? And what was the size of your evaluations? Started off crazy, that question. What is the size of your evaluations? Leroy, that's why I take more private time, not 24/7 waiting and watching the charts. Yeah, it's wicked, man. I just do this. Like, if I'm away from the charts, I'll just do this. So like, right click, just add an alert. So if I put this here, I'm not sure if you guys will hear this. Let's see if you hear it. Let's see if it works. So there's my alert. Let's just put it a bit lower there. Let's see if that gets tapped into. Man, 1 tick away from the alert. Come on. Imagine that. Look, that's where I put the alert and the price is just not going there. It's not moving at all, guys. There it is. There it is. That's the alert. We love that. And then on my other phone, it'll go ka-ching. I get a money sound because I've had to set it up on email. So I get an email as well. But then on the, you can't get the ka-ching money sound on the computers. But if you do it on email, you can change your tone. So then I get an email saying it says ka-ching, and then it just sounds good and it looks cool. And then I go running to the room. And I'm like, yo, let's take this trade. And then I sit there waiting because it was only like not exact place. It's just almost near that place because you need a bit of breathing room to sit there and then start making your setup play out and then taking an entry, setting your stop losses and the rest of it. Or you can just go for a buy limit, sell limit, just put your stop losses there and then just chill for the whole day. If price goes into your area, that's fine. If it doesn't go into your area, that's fine as well. If it stops you out, that's fine as well because you got a calculated stop loss. Yeah, Leroy, it does make you crazy, man. We got, is it asked you Pratic in the building? Hello, I see the market up again. I don't know, brother, but depends what market you're looking at, Pratic. What are you trading? We're currently looking at Nasdaq at the moment. It's just chopping. It's just really horrible price action. But yeah, you're right. It has been pushing up since yesterday. So here you go. Yesterday Asian session, pushed up London session, pushed up New York session. Then it's just retracing down. But I'm waiting for a nice area of interest. I don't like this area here. Lab says A. Pratic says Miko, nothing, bro. Omar happy, dopamine. Miko, 350k lucid pros. Don't worry, Miko. If you trade safely, trade properly, man, you can absolutely smash. Oh wow, we got 39 people, 40 people on with us. Wow, that's crazy. Right, buy other challenges tomorrow. You will be funded again. Lab, ding ding. I don't know what that says, bro. Omar, so funny, Danny. Calvin Smith just followed. Yes, Calvin Smith. LB, patke budding. Oh, Lax, I don't know what the hell you're talking about, you. Ooh. That baby just followed. That baby in the building. Nasdaq, I like this area. Yes, that's nice. Bear with me, guys. I'm going to catch you in a minute. Right, let's go. Let's go, guys. 250 points more, says Pratik. Labex, extra spicy. That's right, bro. Lax, are you still with us? Lax, are you trading as well, or are you just getting are you just being like extra excited because you're speaking to like a brown person online? Yeah, man. All right, let's have a look at what's going on. I think I might just start scalping at some point as well. You know, I'm quite excited for scalping. I might start scalping on my channel. I might do it next week, guys. If not next week, let me check the date actually, because I've got to make sure I sort out my other funded accounts. The 23rd, so all next week, possibly, or the week after. So yeah, not next week, but the week after. I'm gonna start scalping on the 1 minute time frame. So really, I don't quite know yet. So what are your guys' thoughts on this? So when I look at time frames and look at different types of traders, so you look at swing traders, you look at day traders, intraday traders, and you look at your scalpers. So now some people tell me that scalpers are from a few seconds to like literally 1 or 2 minutes. So they can hold a trade from a few seconds to 1 or 2 minutes. And then you get your intraday traders that hold it from a few minutes to a few hours and then close the trade by the end of the day. Or they can hold multiple trades in the day, but hold it from a few minutes to however long. So a few minutes to half an hour, say. So that's day trading. Obviously, everyone knows swing trading. You can hold it overnight and for a few weeks. What are your guys' thoughts on scalping? Like, what time frame do you scalp on, and what do you think is scalping? Because I'm not quite sure. Like, if I hold a trade for 10 minutes or 15 minutes, would that come under scalping? Because some people scalp, but then they tell me they scalp on the 5 minute time frames and stuff like that. So I don't know if I would call that a scalp, because I thought scalping was from a few seconds to 1 or 2 minutes only. So yeah, what are your thoughts on that, guys? If you can let me know. Or is it that I disappeared for a minute and then everyone else just went and disappeared for a minute? Where are you people? Why is no one replying to me? Why is no one replying? Lax in the building. Lax, where have you gone, bro? Where is everybody? Wow, 28 people in the building. All right, is it me or is it my chat? Because I don't know what's going on. I've got a message here. Omar saying, so funny, Danny. Omar, what's funny? The dopamine hit. The dopamine being like an ex-girlfriend. Yes, Omar, we are here. Yes, I knew Omar was there. Yeah, man. All right, what part of the world is everyone from? Because I can see loads of different types and styles of names. So I'm assuming not everybody is here from the UK. I'm sure we got people here from all over the world. For me, scalping is 15 minutes. Okay. See, okay. See, that I need to find the perfect number. I want to know exactly what someone calls scalping and what is, well, I know what scalping is, but the time frames that you hold your scalps on. So when you say, for me, scalping is 15 minutes, does that mean you hold the trade maximum for 15 minutes? Omar saying no. Okay, so Omar, how do you execute your scalps? Like, how do you, like, what time frame would you do it? Leroy is saying, see WhatsApp. WhatsApp. Let's have a look. Let's have a look at WhatsApp. Dopamine trader. I like that. My new profile picture. I like it, bro. It's done on AI. You just gotta change one thing, bro. One thing. Where you're pointing your finger. Sorry, where you're pointing your finger, it doesn't say stocks, it says stonks. Stonks. You trade stonks, bro. But overall, I like it. Dopamine's right. It's AI, bro. AI loves to make those mistakes. But I like that profile picture, bro. Yeah, I like it. I like it, bro. I like it. Very good. It's good, man. It's a nice profile picture, that is. Stonks. The stonk market. Leroy is going to trade the stonk market. The stonk market, lads. Look, we got a VJ in the building. VJ, how you doing? Magnetic, Elia, Bobby Digital, OG. Lama Chakachakala. I can't say the name, bro. Lama Chikamukala, something like that. Yeah, man, we got quite a few people joining us. We went up to about 50. New streamer in the house. Yeah, man. Yo, are you gonna do it? Leroy, you gonna do some streams? That's wicked, bro. Do it. I'll join your stream as well. All right, so yeah. This is what I'm looking at. So scalping. Most traders define it by how long you're in the trade, not the chart time frame. So here's a general guide, guys. Scalping is from seconds to 5 minutes, sometimes up to 15. Okay. So the tick charts. Common chart time frames, you do 5 seconds, 15, 30, 1 minute, 2 minute. Yeah, see, that's what I thought. That's exactly what I thought. Day trading, 5 minute charts to several hours. But even on day trading, I think it's up to you what you want to do and how you navigate the charts yourself. Because when I day trade, I look at what's happening on the 1 hour, 4 hour. And then I'll do top-down analysis into the 1 hour, 30 minute, 15 minute, and I'll execute on the 3, 2, 1 time frame. So that seems okay. And then swing trading, days to weeks, you hold it, and it's from 1 hour, 4 hour daily. Okay, so that makes sense. Yeah. So yeah, it says my definition, seconds to a maximum of 2 minutes. That's a perfectly valid definition of ultra scalping, sometimes called micro scalping. Many futures traders in the ES and NQ markets aim for exactly this: quick entries and exits lasting under 2 minutes. Wow. So they go in from the 5 second, 10 seconds charts. Wow. So day trading, anything held longer within the same trading session. Yeah. So I do day trading, but I want to start looking at scalping. So I want to be in and out of trades, just smashing them, because you can make loads of money. Because I know I would have got in. I'll probably look at, if I could see a lower time frame and I could see a nice entry, I'd get in there. Just this bit here, hold these 2 minute candles, you'd make money there. Probably if I could get an entry there, round about here somewhere, and hold these 3 to 5 minutes, well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 minute candle there, get an entry here, hold these 2-minute candles. So that would be scalping, and I think I would smash it in scalping. So I'm gonna give it a go in the next coming weeks. I'm gonna start instead of waiting for a trade day trading, because I know exactly what I'm looking for in day trading. I can execute them trades throughout the day. Seth in the building. Yo, good morning, my brother. So yeah, I can execute those trades whenever the day trade plays out, so I don't have to be sitting live on the charts. I can be actually scalping live on the charts. So I think I might go with, I don't know, I might, for the scalping, I think I might just go with Top Step. Because on Top Step, I like the platform Project X. To be fair, Alpha 1, is it Alpha 1 Futures? Not Alpha 1 Futures, Top 1 Alpha 1 Futures, making my own prop firm name. Top 1 Futures, they use Project X as well. But I think Top 1 Futures are one of the expensive ones. So let me just log into that. I blew so many accounts with these guys, and I kept really buying prop firms after prop firms because I didn't know about any of the prop firms. That's when I first started trading prop firms. So it was like, it was Top 1 Futures and Top Step. They were the first two I started trading on, and they were bloody the expensive ones. So yeah, just say I was looking at accounts. Just say I wanted to start a new challenge. So we can just wait for that to load up. Let's have a look at their prices. So just say you wanted to start a new challenge with these guys. Now, these lots' prices are ridiculous. I don't know how this prop firm is still like alive right now. So just say you went to Elite Daily. Wow. And you wanted, just say that you wanted the 50k. So 50k is like an average one that everybody is like a go-to one, yeah? You could do it on Tradeovate. So that 3 accounts are $218. But then these lot do an activation fee as well. Oh, 3 accounts is $218 per account. So you're paying $654. See, look, these lot are just expensive. Yeah, man. I don't know how much people they probably got under them, but if they're that expensive, do you reckon that prop firm would last that long? Stonks is gone. Ha, send you a new one. Nice. Send it me. I'll have a look at it. Big man, Paul Woodcock in the building. I use Top 1. Paul Woodcock's used top 1 futures. $7. Got a 5k. Wow. Chats with Chaz. Duh. What the fuck? Lol. You can't get I know. You can't get 3 accounts for $200. They were $200 and something each, bro. Chats with Chaz. They were $200 each, bro. Come on. Here it is. So like, just say I go back to Elite Daily. Want to go on the 50k. Oh, where's it gone? Oh, they're gone now. I don't know where it's gone. Yeah, I don't know where it's gone, but yeah, it's if you buy 3, they're 654. Where Take Profit Trader, you would have got 3 accounts for about just under $200. What are you talking about, Chats with Chaz? Anybody else having problems logging on to the Take Profit Trader accounts? Is anybody else on Take Profit Trader here? Oh no, it's working now. It's logging in. Yeah, Take Profit Trader is probably one of the best prop firms out there, but everybody can't get past the intraday trading drawdown. That's what does them in. But if you look at Take Profit Trader, if you use the code NOFEE40, you get a 40% discount on it and you don't get an activation fee. So the total would be around about $90. $90 activated account. So you have to pass it. So you get about 5 days consistency on these ones, and you can't make more than 50% daily. So just say you have a 25k account and your profit target's $1,500, you can make $750 per day, and you've passed it in 2 days. But then you'll have 3 days of consistency left because it's 5 days consistency. So with them 3 days, you can either do $1 trades and just show that you're consistent on that platform, or you can trade 3 days and do $500 each day. So then you pass it in 3 days, or you could do $400 a day, pass it in 4 days, or you can make $300 a day and pass it in 5 days. And then you're funded, bro. But then you need to get past the intraday trading drawdown, and that's where a lot of people trip up on the intraday trading drawdown. I think intraday trading drawdowns for the experts, but if you can do it, Take Profit Trader is probably one of the cheapest, one of the best, and they don't have consistency. So once you get past the intraday trading drawdown, whatever you make, you keep. The only thing is just a 20-80% profit split. So they keep 20% and you get 80%. So every $100 you make, they keep $20 and you keep $80. It's crazy, bro. I think my go-to prop firm will be Take Profit Trader always. But now I like Traderify as well. So the two, Traderify, why? Because Traderify doesn't have an intraday trading drawdown. They only have consistency on the evaluation phase. Once you pass the evaluation phase, they ain't got consistency on their select accounts, which is absolutely brilliant. Danny, I'm short from 320 on NQ Oakley. Nice one, bro. Nice one. Where are you short from 320? Oh, price is actually, yeah, I don't know what he's doing. I don't like the price action. This is not my type of price action. So I'm not quite sure where so you shorted from the top right down here. I really don't understand or get it how people smash it from the tops. They find the top tick or the bottom tick. Every time I go for the top tick or the bottom tick, I get blown out of my trades. Razak's page, what's the platform, please? Razak, this is TradingView. Mad Dog, what do you think about Top Step? Top Step are good. They pay out. Yeah, Top Step are good. Oh, Bad McKay. How do you use the long short position charts to where I can see my profit or loss? How do you use the long or short positions charts to where I can see my profit and loss? I'm not quite sure what tool you're talking about. Like, there's these ones. So like, just say you're going long from here, you can have your stop loss there, and then your whatever that, however, and this is your risk to reward tool. So that tells you that this trade is a 1 to 3, and then the more you the less you risk, no, the more you risk, your reward gets bigger. So that's a 1 to 7. So I don't know if that's what you're talking about, or if you're talking about this tool here where you can say you're risking around like $300 there, and you're going to be making $1,000 there or something like that. I'm not sure if that's what you're looking at. Rafa just followed. Thank you very much, Rafa. McKay, if you can just let me know what your the second one. So the second one, brother, you just click on this. So obviously it's not market. A market is where you're just gonna execute trade there and then. So like you can put your stop losses in or whatever, but to calculate it you need to click on limit. So this is a buy limit, sell limit. So this is where you can set the buy or sell limit. So if it's a sell, you're gonna click on that. If it's a buy, you're gonna click on that, and then just adjust these. But that's like a sell limit or buy limit is by clicking on the limit button here. V 240 just followed. Thank you very much. Oakley saying, I hate this price. Tell me about it. Lol cakes, you're taking any trades today, Danny? Nah, I'm not taking anything, bro. Have you taken any trades today? Oakley, yes. Leroy, Tradeify, nice one. Yeah, Tradeify is a good one, bro. It is a very good one. I love it. Oakley, imagine if this was just a continuation down. It probably can be. It's just what price just looks shitty and choppy, but it possibly can be. So like if you go on the higher time frames, it just depends what you're looking for. So if you go on the 45-minute time frame, it just gives you a clearer direction of what's going on. So I'd say like if price comes into certain areas, points of interest, so like either up there or down here, that could be one place where price can tap this area and sell off, or maybe tap a little bit higher and sell off. You just got to mark out your points of interest. So this is on the 45-minute time. So if I go on the 30-minute, it could be lower. It could be this area here, or we could still keep it there because it's on the 45, or it could go a lot higher. But because I don't like the price action, I won't trade in it. So then you get the 15-minute. Yeah, so price can actually react from a lower area there where it is right now, where price has come into right now, or it could be higher. But it just depends like where you mark out your points of interest and what seems like a point of interest to you. But price can just keep pushing up and just go past it, because we can't control the markets. We can just look at where we think where price is going. We don't know for sure where price is going. We just follow footprints of the big players. So as soon as the big players and the institutions, the smart money, the hedge funds, the banks, as soon as they make a move and they leave slight footprints, once price retraces back into the areas, that's when we look to execute our trades. Thank you so much. I've been trying to figure it out all day. No problem. Any questions, bro? Any questions and anything I can answer, just come on my page. Join the Discord. The Discord is for free. We don't charge for the Discord. The Discord now is in the chat. So I'll put the Discord link in the chat. The Discord link is on the bio in TikTok, and also is in the description on YouTube if you're watching us on YouTube right now. So yeah, any questions or anything, just ask. Sometimes I don't know something. Sometimes like once the charts were like this, really messed up, and I couldn't actually find out where the charts were, and I kept doing this, and then someone just said to me, listen man, just on the price on the right hand side or the left hand side, wherever you've got it, just double click this icon here and the charts will just come up to you. Oh, where's it gone? That's the I need to close the limit. So yeah, you just double click that and then the charts will come into your, oh, you can't see it on your screen, can you? Yeah, there they are. So if I push them, I just push them up a bit. So if you just double click on that, the charts come up. If you lose them, just double click, bang, it comes back into your area. So yeah, there's loads of things, like random things that sometimes you don't know, but just ask the question and then someone will always answer it. If I don't know it, I'll ask someone. If I'll ask someone else who does know it. Yo, guys, we just had 60 people just a moment ago, you know. The lives are getting pushed out nicely. Was down. Sorry. I've just missed some chats now. Oakley, if this goes above 170, I think I turn a bit bullish. Yeah, man, you just got to follow the markets. You got to just go which way the markets want to go. Very good, very nice. God is good. Yes, that's right. Very nice, very good, very nice. God is good. Yes, was down 1,000 on London session. Now I'm up 500. Well done, well done. Toba, what chatting platform is this? Right now you're on TikTok. And it's a trading platform. This is TradingView. Oakley saying Mock was super bearish. Toba, what chatting platform is it? Sorry, it's not a chatting platform. This is TikTok, but we're trading on TradingView. But because can't find my setup at the moment, I'm not actually executing a trade. So I'm just sitting and chilling and chatting until I can find an entry. I normally do this 8:30 a.m. every single day. 8:30 a.m. GMT London session. So it's 8:30 a.m. GMT London session till around about 10:30, 11. So, but then yesterday I stayed on till about 11:30 a.m. Dolly just followed. Thank you very much, Dolly, for following. Razak's page. I wish to try trading on a funded account. Yeah, you can try it at some point. You can try it. Make sure you just get a little bit of education behind you. Know what you're doing in the markets. Don't just go in blindly, because you could lose a lot of money if you put your money into a personal broker. Start on demo accounts and you'll be all right, bro. You'll be good to go. Chitoba, is this TradingView? Yes, Chitoba, this is TradingView. This is TradingView. But another platform I do like is Project X, but that's on prop firms. Zuriel, good morning. Hello again. Bought a new EVA. Let's take the win. Yes, do it, Zuriel. Smash it. Tio in the building. We going up. Tio, I passed yesterday, by the way. Well done, Tio. Well done, bro. Tio, you said yesterday we were completely dumping, and then you went, and then I got a few messages saying, where's Tio gone? The price has gone up. I was like, I don't know, bro. I don't know. I was like, I follow market structure, so I don't know. We can just guess which way the market's going by seeing what's been going on in the markets, but overall we are still very bearish. We're not really bullish. Look at that. We've been pushing down ever since. Even though price is pushed down, pushed up, but overall is going down slowly. You can see, look, overall is going down. So overall on the higher time frames, we're possibly bearish. Let's have a look at the 1 hour. Yeah, even there, price can just retrace into a proper point of interest, and if it reacts, it can start slowly going down. So like, we're not 100% bullish right now neither. Tio, split subject, I'm in a long. Nice one, brother. Split subject, bro, you willing to go long? Supermax Floof, thank you very much for following. Tio said, I didn't say dump. Split subject followed. Thank you very much. Yo, I'm getting messages in a lot slower than normal. I think they finally caught up. Zoriel, yeah, I just took a short for eval. We'll see how this goes. Split subject, bro. Bullish flag just formed. What you talking about? Bro, I don't trade flags, bro. I don't trade the flags. I just trade market structure, bro. Razak's page just followed. Thank you very much for following. Danny, this is NQ. Yes, that's right. This is NQ, but I'm on micro Nasdaq, MNQ. Tio, yesterday I was just longs. Nice one, bro. Tio, who the F said I short? I don't know, bro. Someone messaged. They said, Tio said it's going down, and I was like, I don't know. I was like, I don't remember it. Split subject, bro. Bullish flag is part of price action. It means breakout, my man. Yeah, man. I just follow market structure. I'm not too clued up about the flags and stuff, though I have got them on my mat right in front of me. I can literally show you under my keyboard. Look, it's so funny. I've got every single flag pattern there, but I don't do the patterns and stuff. Literally, I just follow market structure, and then once price taps into my points of interest, that's when I know to take my entries. There was a guy with a book. Oh yes, the guy with the bookmark is Oakley. Was it Oakley? Oakley, did you message me yesterday? Tio's going down. No, not going down. Tio's selling off. No, Oakley, you were the one that was selling off. Oakley's the bookmap guy. Tio, we need to get the boxing gloves in the building. Oakley versus Tio. Split subject, bro. Real man trades candles and moon cycles, not market structure. Good lad. Split subject. You continue trading the candles and moon cycles, bro. I have to follow market structure, man. If that's working for you, that's absolutely brilliant, bro. But market structure works for me, so I have to follow my market structure, bro. Tio saying, okay, you are. I passed my longs yesterday. No, well done, Tio. That's wicked, bro. Tio are now longs too. Oakley with the thumbs up. Yes, nice one, guys. Split subject. Split subject. What time frames are you looking at, bro? Leo, get ready to rumble. Yeah, I'm loving it. I'm loving it. Oakley, long doesn't make sense, especially an entry right now. Everyone's got their own game plans, innit? Longs do make sense, Oakley. Shall I tell you why? Because it does make sense, because on the 1 hour time frame, price pushed all the way down, pushed up, couldn't purely break structure to the downside, pushed up again, couldn't break structure to the downside, pushed up again all the way, and just couldn't break structure to the downside, but it changed character to the upside. So if you go from the swing high, swing low to the swing high, because price has not come into a discounted area yet, it can very possibly, well, it's tapped into this 50% area now, it can very possibly go long. It can. Just because it's going short on Asian session here, it doesn't mean it's going to continue. But usually what I have noticed is when price goes in a certain area, when price goes in a certain direction in Asian session, it usually tends to follow. But I follow market structure, guys. So split subject's gonna come back again and say, no, what are you talking about, market structure? 15-minute, it confirms bullish flag breakout. Price is now making higher highs. Let's go down to the 15-minute time frame, bro. Yeah, it's coming, and it has tapped into a discounted area. So yeah, price can be just pushing up now. Yeah, you're right. Tio, Zoria, look at EQ on 1 to 5 minute. They don't. Oakley, 1 to 5 minute doesn't. The 1 to 5 minute charts is really if you're just going to be scalping quick trades. 1 to 5 minute is not good for if you're going to hold for a long time. Long time is if you're going to look at the higher time frames and follow the structure on the higher time frames. Oakley, Danny, you know I know this shit. Tio, bro, we do also 1 day and 1 hour. 1 day and yeah, the high time frames, they give you direction, bro. They give you direction. Look, DM Danny. Yeah, I will do, bro. My phone's just on TikTok live. It's just in use at the moment, bro. But I will have a look. Oh my god, we got 50 people again. Wow, the chats. Yes, everybody, you should just join in on the chats. No, everyone's having a bit. Everyone's getting to say their piece. You might as well say your piece as well. And Sila Babila, where you at, bro? You hiding? You not been talking for the past few days. DJ Work in the building. Are you trading with us right now, guys? Come on, let's go. Split subject. Split subject. Just come in, bro, and just causing war. Chazman hovering about the VWAP. Horrible markets this week. Chazman, I totally agree with you. Horrible markets. There were a few good trades that you could have caught, but overall the markets were horrible. Leroy, long time. Yes, Chazman, you're right. Split subject. My man, Real Warriors only long. We are not shorting like some scared pussies. I absolutely love it. I love it, bro. I'm not taking a trade because I can't see an entry for me right now, for me personally. So it's not part of my game plan, so I have to sit on my hands. Zuriel, I don't know. I see a couple of rejections and probably down little again before breaking up. Yeah, everyone's got their own little game plan as to what can happen. So guys, remember, just because someone's going in a certain direction and taking an entry doesn't mean you all have to jump on it. Just everyone follow their own game plans. Yeah, and don't let me put you off taking your entry, or don't let anybody else putting you off taking your entry, because what works for me may not work for you, and what works for you may not work for me. But yeah, everyone is free to just talk about what they're going for. Let's bring the chat on. Let's bring the chat on. 1 second. Let's bring it on so that we can all see the chat as well. So we got the chat screen. Yes, we got the chat screen here. Now let's go. I don't see Zuriel. I don't see a couple of Zuriel said, I don't know. I see a couple of rejections and probably down a little again before it breaking up. Tio says 193. Remember? Yes, Tio, I remember that, bro. Tio, yeah, a lot of the times you have predicted a direction and price has gone in the favor of your direction that you've called out. So yeah, I trust your analysis, bro. I do. Oakley, yeah, absolutely, Danny. I get the 1.5 are just useful for some precise movement. Yeah, man. But like I said, Oakley, what works for you may not work for me. What works for me probably don't work for you. So yeah, but everyone stick to your own game plans and just trade. But let us know if you actually smash it. Chazman, Monday was sweet. Yes, bro, it was. Price actions been slow. Zero direction now. I'm holding out till New York. Yes, that's what I might do as well, Chazman. But Chaz, did you see yesterday? New York session moved nicely, didn't it? Did you manage to catch some trades yesterday? Tio, and after I said 220 and was hit. Yes, you are right, Tio. Tio, I get pissed now. I got pissed now. Zuriel, yeah, I can definitely see longs going into the next couple of hours. Zuriel, but right now I see shorts. Zuriel's trying to like rub the salt on the wound. Like he's saying to split subject, he's saying, yeah, I can see longs in the future, but right now I can see shorts, bro. That's funny, guys. Chazman, zero direction for shorts, not yet enough confirmation for me. Yes, man, Chazman, at least somebody thinks like me. There's not enough confluences for me to take an entry as well. It's not part of my game plan, so I can't go with it. Jello78 just followed. Jello in the building. Yo, listen, we gotta hit our 5k followers. Yeah, how much are we on at the moment? I shouldn't even be hiding this gold box. We are on 44,218. Wow, guys, just under 800 followers, and we've hit the 5,000 mark, and then I will do a Traderfy giveaway, so make sure. Yeah, all right, let's go back on the charts because you don't want to see my face for too long in the chat. You don't want to see the chart, even though the chart's not doing nothing right now. So let's just stay on the charts. Okay, let's see. Volume dead, saying Oakley. Jello followed. Did I already say that? But yeah, Jello followed. Chazman, of course, bro, I run my own group, mate, so I have to have setups ready to go. Bro, you got to do it, man. You got to do it. What groups you got, bro? Is that have you got your own signals group? Do you give out signals? Is it a private group that you've got? Zuriel, in this very moment, I'm in shorts. Laugh my ass off. Theo saying, Oakley, accept my follow. Split subject in the building. Split subject. Do you know what? I love a bit of split subject, you know. Once you've come on, yeah, you stirred it up a bit. You stirred it up. You made the chat go nice, bro. Thank you for that. Bro, price will go up or down. That's for sure. That's 100% sure. There's only two ways it's gonna go, three ways. It's gonna go up, it's gonna go down, or it's just gonna consolidate sideways. That's all it can do, and that's all it will do. All right, let's go back to the trading charts. All right. Yeah, no, this is good. CEO, I show you. Zuriel, I'm in short from 140 TP 100. 140. Oh, okay. You shorted here. Okay. Yeah, I can't see it, bro. I can't see it. I'm not gonna lie to you, but what were you shorting from there? Is it a 30-minute order block? Should we have a look? Yeah, so you're shorting from there. That's where you're looking to short from, yeah? Is that where you're looking at, Zuriel? Chazman, thank you very much for following, Chazman. Yeah, it's a signals group, but it's more educational. Everyone tells you how, but no one shows you. That's how it is, bro. That's how it's going to be. The whole of the internet's going to be like that, because no one wants to give out, how would you say it? Everyone wants to gatekeep. That's how it is. Everyone wants to gatekeep. No one wants to tell you how. But the thing is, I say trading world is so big. Even if you gave your A goddamn plus A++ setup to somebody, no, it doesn't mean just because it might be an A+ setup for you, but you might give that whole game plan blueprint to somebody else. It doesn't mean they're going to be able to execute that trade. It still takes time. It takes time on the charts. You have to be an expert on the charts. Like, you have to give it time, years, for them to start understanding. Then they'll be able to like execute trades, because you might be able to, good morning fast food arc in the building, you might be able to, you might understand it all, you might know how to trade and everything, but you might have a problem with just executing a trade. You might have a problem with risk management. So yeah, there's loads. There's something I had marked out earlier today. Yeah, that is probably that area, bro. Oakley, I told you. Oakley in the building. Oakley just wants to say, I told you so. I fucking told you, bro. Zuriel, same thing. Who faded me? Who faded me? Oakley, that's it. Oakley's got the pump now. Oakley's saying, yo, bro, who said what? Who said what? Yeah, man. Zuriel, Oakley, you called shorts right now. Yes, Oakley did call the shorts. Oakley did call the shorts, yeah. Zuriel, 205 shorts right now. I've been in since 3:20. Chazman, couldn't agree more. Enough traffic for everyone to eat. You run your own group. IBS. Yeah, man, trust me, IBs and whatever. I've not got my own group. I have got PU Prime. I've got it all set up. I've got my IBs set up and everything. I just don't give out signals. I just can't be arsed right now. I'm doing okay with trading myself, and I think, okay, that's nice, it's good for me. But I know there's a lot more money to be made in the world of trading. You could be making 20, 30, 40,000 a month doing your IB program and all the rest of it. I'm just growing my community at the moment. But I'm trying to build a community. I'm going around it a different way, because I don't really want to scam people. I don't want to sell signals and stuff like that. So I'd rather everybody that's in my community, I'd rather them know how to trade rather than they just rely on me for signals. Because then if I'm not around and tomorrow I say, okay, I'm not going on lives, I'm not doing on my community no more, the guys that are with me, they'll be like, oh, okay, we were relying on signals. It's like feeding the fish kind of story, the fish hunting and all that fishing story. So yeah, I'd rather the guys know how to trade rather than rather than just giving out signals. That's why I spend more time just like trading and then educating and then telling them to go out on YouTube, get free education, learn how to trade. That way it just builds more. One second, I don't know what I'm looking at right now. Yeah, I forgot the word I was going to say. 1 second. Chaz, man, mind if I shoot you a DM? No, bro, you can shoot me a DM, man. Shoot me a DM now. I'll look at it after the live, though, because I won't be able to look at it right now. I just passed a funded with a trade. Wow. Zoriel, well done, bro. Chaz, man, couldn't agree more. Completely free to join, and there's everything you need. Yeah, man. Let's go, boys. Oakley, this is amazing to hold shorts. Need to ever do what Trump does, insider trading, and his 21-year-old son, Baron, is a billionaire. Yeah, but Anita ever, man, like, just because Trump's a billionaire, like, it ain't gonna make us billionaires, is it? We have to, like, we have to still trade. So we have to just, like, learn. We have to get education, learn how to trade. We can't just say, do what Trump does. Because when Trump's out and someone else comes in, then are we going to be trading what Trump does and what his son does? It's true, Anita, it's true. Tio, Danny, 1 hour closer over 240 bull for me. Let's have a look, bro. Let's have a look, Tio. Let's have a look what price is doing. Because we have... the only thing I didn't like is where price pushed up and it came back into this area here. That's the only thing that I didn't like. That was on the 15-minute time frame. Well, that's 30-minute time frame I'm looking at, sorry. Split subject, sleepy Biden will not trade for sure. Oh my god. Bro, yeah, man. How was he even there in the first place? Always asleep. Every speech or whatever, he was just snoring. Like, how did he even get there? Guys, everyone join in on the chat. There's 50 of you live right now, so go on, guys, join in on the chat, ask your questions. I've not actually found a trade yet. I'm still looking for a trade. Let me drop down to the 1 minute time frame. Let me see what's going on. Okay, so clearly we pushed up, retrace, pushed up, retrace, broke structure, pushed up, retrace, broke structure to the upside. So we broke this area here. Oh, sorry, you can't see that. We broke this whole area here, pushing up. Yeah. Retrace down. Ooh. And this red area marked here is like an order block on the 30-minute time frame. So price tapped into that area, pushed down, tapped into the area, and it's just chopping. So yeah, I don't trust price right now because it possibly can just tap here a few times and then just continue up. Possibly can. So that's the reason I'm not entering into a trade at the moment. Josefar just followed. Thank you very much, Josefar. Zoriel, I'm just saying this, but we go back to 1-to-1 for a minute and back down. I don't know. You're looking here, innit? Yeah, I know exactly the areas, Zuriel. I kind of know exactly what areas you're looking at, bro. Yeah, kind of figure out. I kind of figured it. I figured it, bro. I figured it. I sometimes look at those areas as well. TO, probably I will find one after New York now. It's ass. Yeah, I don't like it. I don't like the price action. Like, I can't trade in this price action. Like, clear. If it was clear entries, I'd be like, yo, I'm in right now. But that's why they always say you have to learn to trade in all different types of markets, market conditions. You can't just trade in one beautiful condition that's just going upwards. You need to know, like, price action. It can do the same moves, but it can just do it choppy. So you have to learn what type of price action you're trading in. Either you can have clean moves, price is going up and retracing down, or it's going up and retracing in a choppy condition. So you just have to know how to trade it. And you got to know when to sit on your hands as well. Trading's not all about taking a trade. Trading is about sitting on your hands and waiting for the perfect setup. That's what real trading is, waiting for a perfect setup. But the thing is, on the 3-minute time frame, it looks a lot cleaner. So you just got to switch between time frames and then see what you're looking at. Huzaifa, the market is really choppy at the moment, so no setup for a proper trade. Yes, you're right. You're right. No setup. Not for me anyway. I don't know about everyone else. There's a lot of people that are in trades and taking trades right now. For me, not quite yet. Tio, a day without a trade, it's still a win. Yes, that's right, Tio. Leroy, Danny, I got a trading keyboard that I show you. That I showed you a week ago. Play with it and let you know. Yeah, the buy and sell one with the keys. That's wicked. Simran in the building. I'm waiting for this 1 hour candle to close and respect the FBG, and then I'ma take a short. Oh, wicked, Simran. Yeah, I remember you. Oh, Simran just followed. Yeah, I remember you, bro or sis. I don't know. Your boy or girl. I don't know. Brother or sister. Bro, I don't know if I said, yeah, I remember you, bro. Yeah, I remember you from a few weeks back. Huzaifa, there was a great setup on DAX this morning, which was a winner. Oh, wow. Huzaifa. DAX is good, you know, the German 40. But the thing is, I can't trade it on the future space. So I think you could trade it on the CFD market, I know for sure. But on futures, DAX don't load up for me. They don't let me execute my trades on German 40. But I love German 40 price action. No, it's in one of my favorites as well on my watch list. So if I just click on this on my watch list, these are all the ones that I can look at. These are all the ones I like. I look, German 40 is number 2 on my list. I love price action on German 40, bro. Look at that. Look at that, bro. You're telling me that's not clean, guys? Look at that. You're telling me that's not clean, bro. Asian session, yeah, whatever. New York session, yeah, whatever. But London session, come on, guys. Okay, it's a bit choppy. Everything was choppy yesterday, so let's go for even day before that. Look at that. Look at that for price action, guys. Like, wham, bang, point of interest, bang, catch a nice trade. Oh god, look at that. Push down, boom, down, push, retrace back up into a nice point of interest, bang, down again. German 40 is where it's at, guys. You just don't know. Just don't know. You're just sitting on NASDAQ all day. Sitting on NASDAQ getting battered all day. Leroy, next week. Yeah, man. Down 0.75. Huzaifa, there was a great set on DAX. Yes, there was. Huzaifa, I get you, bro. Yeah, man. Is it Stigolesen 788 just followed. Thank you very much, bro. Leroy, DAX market is super. Yeah, I love it, bro. I love it. I think that's it now. Now's time. Now is the time to, I don't know, man. I don't know if I want to like, I love trading DAX as well, but I like the future space. It's good. I love it for copy trading, guys. But the thing is, I also like trading. Sometimes I like trading the Forex as well. I like the USD JPY. I love that. So I might just get one prop firm, you know, CFD one. I might just go one time onto the CFD space. So I need to be looking at either Alpha Capital Group, which is not my number one go-to, FTMO, bit expensive and they're very strict, but they're very good. So yeah, they're quite good. Funded Next, I do like them. And Funding Pips, I think Funding Pips. I'm gonna do it on Funding Pips. It's not my go-to one, but I do like Funding Pips. So if I go in a CFD space, guys, I'm gonna go on Funding Pips. Let's have a look at the dates when some of my plans. So I'm not gonna upgrade to any of the Clear all of that for now. So let's go to a bump. So this week I'm going to be trading futures. All next week I want to be trading futures. I'm going for payouts, and then the week after that I'll be going for futures. So on the 7th, so let's say on the 10th, from the 10th of August, I'm going to test out. I'm definitely going to test out a CFD prop firm, because I want to trade some USD JPY, and I want to go back onto that DAX market as well. But that doesn't mean I'm going to be off the futures. I'm still going to be trading futures. I've still got my futures accounts, but I'm going to be dabbling a bit back into the CFD space because I like it, because that's where I started. This is overall a bearish trend. That's right. Right now it is. Stig is the guy. Yeah, Stig, all is sin. Stig, I got you. Thank you, bro. Remember I said 1-to-1. Look where that candle hit. Now back down. Hopefully, Danny, I use CFD. Yeah, it's good, man. It's good. What's the difference between the two? J trades. The difference between the two, are you talking about futures and CFD space? Yeah, bro. So, okay, on the CFD space is more like it's a contract for difference. So your taxes and everything will be different as well. But the main differences is like when you're trading futures, you don't get like too much spreads and commissions. So like, just say I take an entry. So just say I take an entry here, take profits there, stop losses there. When I click buy here, when the price hits buy here, it'll start from that 0-0, and then if it goes down slowly, it'll go down a little bit. But when you're on contract for difference and CFD space, just say I want to enter here, depending on price, commission and spreads, mainly the spreads, if you enter a trade, it automatically, you might just go back $500 in drawdown or $250 in drawdown straight away as soon as you enter. But that's because of commissions and spreads. So the biggest difference is the commissions and spreads. And CFDs, you can trade Forex, German 4E, and pretty much everything. And on future space, you can just trade your indices, so the futures stuff. So like you got gold, Nasdaq, S&P 500. You could do micros, micro gold, micro Nasdaq, oil, silver, platinum, and all that stuff as well. But it's in the future space, and they don't have much spreads and commissions. So that's the main thing. Theo, let's see how down it gonna go. 20 points. J trades, yeah, man. So yeah, that's why a lot of people moved from the main reason why a lot of people moved from the CFD to the future space was because of the spreads and commissions. That was it, really. It weren't about all that, the tax reasons and this and that. It wasn't really because of that. It was because when they were entering a trade, automatically price was going into drawdown as soon as they hit enter. And they couldn't handle it, and they couldn't fucking control their emotion. They kept bombing their accounts out, and then it's harder to trade CFD prop firms because of that reason. And where future spaces, you don't get those spreads and commissions heavily, and it's easier to trade. So that's why everyone moved over onto this trade. And CFDs, you can't really copy trade much. You have to like make the prop firm aware you're using this copy trading software. I'm going to copy trade across these firms, and sometimes the firm will say to you, as long as we're the main what do you call it? So you get the followers on the copy traders, they want to be the main one at the top. So they say we're the leader. As long as we're the leader and everyone else follows, then you can use it as a copy trader. But then another company will say, oh no, but we're not going to be a follower, we want to be the leader, and you have to put the other companies on followers. So that's what causes another problem, and then they block your accounts, and then they deny payouts. And CFDs is a lot harder, the place is a lot harder, where copy trading is so much easier in the future space. Zoriel down 30 points from here. Oakley, I hope this dumps. It clearly wants to. It might want to. It might want to. It might not want to. It might. Let's have a look. Do you see this, guys? Look. Look at that. And then it's just chopped, retracing. But I can't trust it for an entry, you know. Going from my technical analysis, I'm not quite sure. Not quite sure. Did anyone else see 1-to-1 area touch and back down? What time frame were you looking at that 1-to-1? Because I'm on the higher time frames at the moment. Let's go on a 1 minute time frame. You're talking about this retracement, ain't you? Yeah, you're talking about that retracement there. Oakley, if we swept 170, that means buyers in control. We got nowhere near it and rejected. Oakley, sellers are still holding the wheel. Yes, that's the one. Zoriel and Oakley, they look like they're on one team, guys. Them two are gunning for the sells, bro. They say, yo, we're going down. There's more volume in the sells, to be honest with you. It's actually true. And it has now, if it breaks and closes here, anywhere below that is broken structure to the downside on the lower time frames. Simon, usually it's like a big pumping candles. Today it was nothing. Yeah, it's not my type of price action today. I don't like it. Zoriel 1-to-1 086, but I hit my, I should have entered the trade. Zoriel, you didn't enter the trade. Zoriel's saying, look, there's the area, pinpoint it, and then didn't enter it. Oakley, Mock was so bearish, it's telling us what it's doing. Tio, I'll go cook, man. We see you later. Yeah, see you later, Tio. No, I was just calling it. Oh, you were just calling it. Danny, where is the funky music today? Where is it, bro? You don't like the coffee music? The coffee bar music. Let's play something different. Let's play something different. This is like proper relaxed, isn't it? All right, music trading. Let's see what we got. Let's see what we've got. We got just the piano. So we've got my casino music. Check out my casino music. Yes, this just keeps everyone in the mood, making them want to spin the wheel, take some profits. And then you got the deep Indian house. This one wasn't too bad. It was quite sick. Still quite relaxing. And then you have the normal. I love the funky music, bro. This is the funky music, bro. Oakley, this is the normal one. The normal kind of weird funky song you play. Swag. Holy swag, Danny. The shorters are scared while bulls are longing like real men. Yeah. Split subject. He knew he had to just come back in. As soon as he seen price pushing up, he knew he had to come back in. He was like, yo, let me catch these guys. He's got the gloves on. He's got the gloves on, bro. Honor just followed. Thank you very much, Honor. Thank you very much for following. Ahmed with a yes, uncle. Ahmed, you trading today, bro? This is the banger, Oakley says. Thank you, Danny. No problem. Forex trading expert. We don't need you, bro. We don't need no Forex experts in the futures space. Bro, we're on NASDAQ. What are you telling us that you're a Forex expert for, bro? What are you talking about? No, Ahmed, I've not taken a trade. Not this morning, no. Took some New York session yesterday. No, not New York session. Just before New York session, I took a trade yesterday. Ahmed's took a trade and profit for the day. I did take a trade yesterday. What time did I take a trade? 1 second. You look at the charts for so long. Don't even know what time we take trades. Ba 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 bum bum. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. Boom. This trade. Yeah, just before New York open yesterday. So as you can see, price pushed up, retraced down. It just touched this fair value gap. Like that. Pushed up. Luckily it closed just there because it pushed up and then pushed down. But then price ended up going back up again slowly. But if I didn't have my take profit there, price would have pushed down and stopped me out down there. Luckily, it was a lucky trade, man. A lucky trade. RV NQ. Yes, this is NQ, bro. This is NQ. Please saying Forex trading expert. I need you. Split subject. All traders I know who prefer longs have higher testosterone. Oh God. Oakley Forex trader is real. It's so real and genuine. Oi, Forex trading expert. I don't know where he's gone. 100. Oakley, this is the song. Hell yeah. Let me have a look. Yeah. Oh man, uncle, how are the daily withdrawal? Bro, I blew them on Monday. Well, didn't I tell you yesterday? I don't know if you came on. You came on and then you went. I blew the funded accounts on Monday morning straight away. Sorry, not Monday morning. I got the funded account on Monday morning, and Monday evening I couldn't find a setup. The markets were so choppy, just couldn't find a setup. And I thought, okay, I'm gonna wait till Tuesday. Come 8 o'clock Monday evening, I just wanted to create the buffer zone, so I over leveraged. I oversized, so I used the whole 3 minis that you could have used, so that's 30 micros, and I literally just went for a buy. So price went a little bit in my favor, and because you're an intraday trailing drawdown, as soon as it goes a little bit and then retraces, you go into drawdown straight away. So it only went a little bit down and it popped my account. So it went in my favor a little bit, price retraced a little bit, went down a little bit and popped my account. So I popped all 3 accounts in one go. So pissed off. I was so pissed off. Lucky I still had my TraderFi account. Yeah, I bombed them. So yeah, look, I make mistakes too. We're only human, right? Oakley. Daughters are scared. What you thinking right now, Flocky? I'm thinking if price retraces, might take a... It all depends. I don't know. But it's this area here. So this is an order block area, this area here. But I'm hoping price continues pushing up because we did go into a discounted area. So I'm hoping price continues pushing up. But I may take a buy if price retraces back down till about here. If price retraces down till about here, I might go for a buy, and we'll see. Then we'll see when price retraces. Oh damn, markets are back to being tradable this week. I don't know, yeah, slightly, a little bit. They've been very choppy, but New York sessions have been better. Yesterday I missed 150 pips on gold. Funny thing was I had the setup. I knew exactly where it was. Bro, did you not enter it at all, or did you completely miss it, or did you like enter it and then close it early or something? Split subject in the building. So now you're long biased, guys. I've said it for an hour already. Yeah. To be fair, he did say it. Split subject, you did say it, but I follow market structure, so I would be looking for a buy anyway. Because this is what I'm looking at. You can see the charts are marked out already. So if I take you on a 30-minute time frame, from the swing low to the swing high, I was looking for a retracement below this area. So like it just didn't quite tap into the discounted area, but it actually did. It tapped into the discounted area, so it's gone into discounted area and price pushed up. I'm just waiting to see what happens in this area here. So I'm not forcing no trades or entries or anything at the moment. So I would be looking for longs, but when I don't know. I'm just waiting still. But yeah, I know split subject, he has been gunning for the long. Here's this area here. Had it not kept tapping into this shitty area here, I would be going for a long right now. Let me have a look. Oh, for fuck's sake. I don't know. Now, just because it's tapping into this area here, which is a 30-minute order block for when price was coming down. I want it to be literally here. So let's see if we can take 50 from that area. Put a bit more size on that, so just say 8 and risk about, and then yeah. I would like something like that. That is something that I would like, but it may not do what I'm looking at. I just don't like how it's tapping into this area here, and it all depends on what price looks like when it comes down. So let's see what happens. Oakley, Danny, what is that random card that says Trader2024 and is spinning on the left? It's got a bull and a bear on it. Let me show you. Just need to keep an eye on the price as well right now. Split subject zone will be broken in 10 minutes, my man. I hope so. What I want is for this retracement, and then bang, then that zone gets broken. That's what I would love for price to do, but I don't know if it is gonna, man. Zoriel, I entered shorts at 148. Zoriel, good luck. Ahmed, just created 4-hour FVG. Would look for price to come up there, man. Yes, nice one, Ahmed. Yes. Yeah, so let me just go into the logos 1 minute. I'll go back, design, logos. Boom, boom, boom. So I don't know if you can see this. This is what it is. It's that. So it's the bear with an F. It's the bull with an X. And that says FX Trader 2024. That's like the brand right now. Bulls and bears. The bulls and bears. Das Slew just followed. Thank you very much for following, bro. Thank you, bro. Wow, we got 47, 48, 50 people. Wow, the numbers are growing, guys. It's absolutely brilliant. I think TikTok has finally started to find some algorithm for me. Managed to like find out my target audience. That's so cool. I didn't know. Yeah, it is pretty cool, isn't it? What a great scalp this is. Looks like it'll hit 129. Zoriel. I didn't know. I don't know it said FX. Yeah, it's because it's spinning, so you can't really see it. So that's why if I just take you over onto my what course that I do have, which I don't ever promote because it's only if serious people really want it, and then they contact me personally, and then I say, okay, yeah, I have got a course. Otherwise I just don't go around trying to like sell a course and stuff like that. But I'll just show you part of the course quickly, if it lets me. Yes, it will let me if I click onto it. So how you just seen that logo, the bull and bear, I've got my whole trading course around that as well. It's pretty cool, you know, the way I've done it. So like there's modules, like you've got trading foundations, then you've got market structure, then you've got advanced pricing, advanced price action, sorry, and then you got bringing it all together, so which is quite cool. Really, really good. Obviously start off with the basics like candlestick mastery, but they start off like this. It's quite cool. Yeah, just talking about everything. It's quite good. It's quite good. Decent. Oakley, I love your mentality. Thank you, bro. Mentality. Dung, dung, dung. Zoriel. Oakley. All right, boys. I'm in a short for the funded account. Okay. Yeah, man. What's this price action doing, bro? I need price. I really want it. Just come here nicely and then bomb it up. But no, it starts trying to consolidate here slowly. Oh, flip, man. Zoriel's going in the opposite direction to what I'm looking at the moment. This is what I don't like. I don't like this. Like, why do this here? Then that will throw me off, and then I'll be like, okay, I don't really want to enter now. Let's have a look. Let me just look at the other time frames. Let me see what's going on. It's this red area here that I'm not too keen on. So that's a 30-minute order block, guys, if you don't know. 3 minute. then let's have a look at the 5 minute. Yeah, not liking that. I'm not liking that at all. Let's have a look at the 10 minute. Yep, 10 minutes not, it's too choppy, man. I might not even take that trade looking at price action here. 15 minute. Yeah, that's not nice at all. Let's have a look at the 30 minute. The 30 minute, this is like the area where price keeps tapping into and then rejecting from. So yeah, probably not my type of, that's not going to be my type of trade, to be honest with you now. That's kind of cancelled me out of what I wanted to do. But looking at the lower time frame, it's coming to my area. Well, it's coming into the area, but I don't know if I want to continue looking for a buy from here. But we'll see what price does when it comes into that area. If I miss the trade and it goes without me, it's fine. It wasn't 100% my game plan. But let's have a look. Looks like a good 5 minute rejection for shorts. Yeah, can't figure it out, bro. I can't actually see the trade myself, so gold signals, you're blocked because nobody wants a gold signal. Come on, man. Okay, honestly, back down to 079 again. Let's see what happens. J Trades is laughing. J Trades, what do you think? What do you think? Which direction do you think the market's going into? Split subject. Only Jews and females trade gold. I can't say that on my live, bro. I can't say it. Even though I might have said it, I can't really say it. TikTok will flag me up for being racist, and I'm not. J Trades, I think a lot of fear going into big tech earnings. Yeah. What do you think? Like, would you enter? Oh, I don't know, man. Really don't know if I should take an entry. I can risk it. And see, maybe. I just think, fuck it, let's do it. But do I want to do that? I don't know. Not quite come right in. To be fair, it would have tapped me in earlier. But I don't know. I really don't know. Let's see what this candle does. Skill Bites sell. Skill Bites has been a very long time. I've not seen Jibu Man in the building. Skill Bites said, hey Danny. Yes, I'm good. Been a very long time, Skill Bites. Jibu Man, hi bro. J Trades probably react to data tomorrow. Skill Bites saying sell. J Trades, big sticking point in capex spending. They're betting heavy on AI. Okay, yes, that's right. Skill Bite, don't enter. J Trades, so despite strong earnings last season, I think Amazon and Microsoft dumped. They dumped on Sierra just based on capex being like 10x what investors thought or something like that. Okay. But bro, I don't know. Should I enter? Should I not enter? Should I enter? Should I not enter? Ah, God damn it. I'm in two minds right now. I feel like it may. May go a bit lower than that, maybe. Then can look for the buy. So that would be an exact 1 to 3 right there. Bullish FVG respecting 90. This guy, take a buy now. This guy, yeah, that's what I was looking at. I was looking at that. But, the thing is, any other day I would have taken this buy because of, but I don't know. I was waiting for that next candle hopefully to tap me in. I wanted to go a little bit more lower, but if this now goes down from here, I definitely won't be entering that trade. I'm in longs at the moment. This guy, wicked. Split soldier, bro, you overthinking, not gonna lie. Trade from feelings, not from analysis. I know, I feel like it, but I don't know. I just like to be a bit extra cautious on my trade, especially when I'm trading live. If I'm trading on my own and that, I'd go for things, but right now I don't know. J trades hard to call because I reckon tech earnings bullish, geopoliticals is making it bearish. Zuriel, we got both sides of the trade here. We got people in longs and shorts. Yeah. We've got people in, definitely got people in both sides of the market here today, right now. This is the first time, you know, guys. First time today. Normally there's a lot of people that say, okay, we're gonna go buy, and pretty much everyone's saying the same thing. If they're selling, pretty much everyone's looking at the same thing. But today, there's many people that are looking for buys, and there's just as many people looking for sells right now today. So I'm in an area where I think, should I not? So I don't really know. This candle here has thrown me off, because right now it would have tapped me in. A232, I wanted to put 50 euros into stock. How do I do so? If you want to put 50 euros in a stock, you'll have to look at some of the just websites where you can just, if you're going to trade it, and I don't know how you do that, but you can put it in a broker, but I don't think they let you trade $50. I'm not sure. I'm not sure what minimum requirement is. Some might not. It depends. But otherwise, you can put it into something like eToro 212 trading, or I think, is it plus 500 or something like that. You can add money to those trading platforms, or crypto ones and stuff like that, Coinbase and things like that. You can add $50-$60 in and put it on something, but you want to put it on Forex, so I don't know, because you're saying euros. I'm not quite sure. J trades, I think because the main move happened in Asia now, it's just pricey, it's just price discovery. J trades, New York Open just gonna be Wick City up and down. New York, it is always like that, isn't it? Yo, bro, look, that would have tapped me in, and to just play it safe, I would have put my trade into break even right now. Fuck. That's what I did want. But if price now continues pumping all the way up, that'll be nice. But then that just means I was hesitant on my trade, which I was looking for it to go into that direction anyway. So I'm going to let it play out. I'm not 100% sure exactly what's going to go on. New York Open just going to be Wick City. Ahmed buys till 4 hour, then sells. Split subject, my man, you haven't entered. No, I've not entered, bro. I've not entered. I didn't enter it. Do you know, when I'm like this, when I'm not certain, when there's uncertainty, even the slightest, I won't enter the trade. I'll just sit on my hands. I'll be like, fuck it. Because all I have to do to stay profitable, all I have to do is get 8 to 10 good, well, not even 10. I just need 8 as minimum. If I get minimum 8 trades a month, good ones, I'm happy, I'm profitable. So that's just 1 trade a day and 8 trades a month. That's just 8 days of trading. But I should have, but now it falls under the I shoulda, woulda, coulda. That's what it falls under now. I shoulda, woulda, coulda. And I was listening to a lot of the noise around me as well. So it is what it is. If I've missed my trade, I've missed my trade. But if that goes on taking profit, skill bite, 8 out of how many? 20 trades, 20 trading days in a month. So right now, I would have took my stop loss and I would have put it there. So I would have I would have definitely 1 to 1 would have hit. Or let me see if I wanted a 1 to 3. Where would I have been if I wanted a 1 to 3? Let's have a look. Long position. I entered exactly where price tapped. So that would have been here. I would have been roughly about there, end of there. And that would have, oh shit. A 1 to 3 is here. So if I risked, say, $240, I would have made $820 there, $900 there, $1,000 there. So split subject, my man. You know, bro. Bro, the Lions just crushed the nerds, shorters. Oh my god, bro. Oh my god. Yo, split subject has got the gloves on. He doesn't care, bro. TN7U4, thank you very much. J Trades, what do you reckon with that trade? Even though price action was shit, I wasn't 100% certain, but that would have actually been a 1 to 3. It would have hit my take profit. But obviously I had it higher, but my 1 to 3s, which is my sweet spot, which I always talk about all the time, sweet spot, as long as I get over 1 to 2, I'm happy. So 1 to 3 would have been brilliant, but that was pretty much bang on the money. If it stays below 170, bearish, I think. Yeah, I don't know, guys. I'm still not 100% certain, like, so that's why I didn't enter into my trade. But I did know that it would probably go more in my favor for a bullish rather than a bearish. So Skillbite, you said not to sell, bro. I listened to you, Skillbite, and now I'm out of pocket. Noah, that was such an accurate entry. Holy shit. Holy shit, bro. Noah, do you know, a lot of the times my entries are literally like, I don't know, like pinpoint or what, I don't know how, they're literally bang on. I've done it so many times, like on live, but because I have like a lot of noise around me, sometimes I don't take the trades. But if I was sitting by myself, chilling, relaxing, I would have entered into the trade. But because I'm doing it live with a live audience, I sometimes hesitate and I don't execute the trade, and I should execute the trade. But that was bang on. Just so this is the reason they say you don't need the whole piece of the cake. You don't have to have the home run. As long as you get the base hit, you're fine. A base hit here, I would have been risking what, $240 to get just say $800, call it. Yeah, $800 is a lot of money for a single day. People don't make that in a whole week, and you've made it in literally what, just sitting on the charts on your bum, doing nothing, eating shit, getting fat, and just holding on to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 candles, or what, literally it was 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 candles, a fourth candle hit, take profit. So yeah, so sometimes you got to just got to smash it, just take the entry. So instead of going for the full home run, because that's what if I was like a swing trader or something, I would be waiting for days. But if I'm a day trader, I should know where the exact entry and exit point is. So I should know exactly where I'm gonna hold my trade until, or take my trade out if I'm not certain that it's gonna fully do the home run. If it's gonna do the home run and you know it and you can see it, take it. But if it's not, then just take it easy. Skillbite, no, I do 1 to 3, 1 to 4, 1 to 5. It just depends. Where I was looking at this, where I first put my entry, it was at $1,000. So that would have been a 1 to almost, well, that would have been a 1 to 4 really, just under 1 to 4. But that is one area. But the other area is 1 to 3. I never really do a 1 to 2. It is nice to sometimes get out at a 1 to 2, but if you know your move can get more out of it, just go for higher than 1 to 2. But it all depends. Oh, Simran, John Despain, I fibbed that move out for long, missed my pickup by 0.5 point. Mine was literally bang on point, John. Bang on. I just didn't enter. I just didn't hit execute. Split subject, bro. I'm longing since 2906. Split subject. Smash it, bro. Smash it. Smash it. I like your thinking, bro. I like it. Skill bite. Do you normally use 1 to 2? Skill bite. You told me not to sell. What are you talking about, bro? You said not to sell. Sorry. You said not to buy. You said it's selling. You said it's selling big time. Jay, thank you very much. Sorry, I missed that. Jay said Jay's followed. Jay, thank you very much, Jay. We got 2 Jays in the building right now. Oh my god, we got 70 people live with us. Wow, I didn't realize. Oh my god, everybody, now that we've got everyone here, 70, hit 70 people. Now that we got everybody here, 69. Look, Wynham Dynam 69. We've got 69 people in the chat right now. Flam Revolution just followed. Thank you very much, Flam, for following. Noah, how long will you stay live? Noah, I'm normally... Oh, Omani Keys, thank you very much for following. Sorry guys, it's a bit delayed. Split subject. All these sellers are scammers. Can't take their word for granted. Split subject's got the gloves on, bro. Split subject's going poof, 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 catching punches. Harry, I'm new to this. Why don't you take the money right now? Harry, I'm not in this buy right now. I didn't hit the buy button. I didn't hit the buy button. If I was, I would have took the money. That would have been my 1, 2, 3. It would have tapped me in and took the money. I was just hesitant. I shouldn't have been hesitant. The reason I was hesitant, because I'm on live. I've got so many people watching me live. So I was hesitant. I didn't want to like take a loss. But if I was trading by myself on my own, I would have probably got the profits and run by now and probably shot them off in my Discord saying, yo, take profit hit, blah, blah, blah. Oh no, man, you shouldn't have bought it. I know I should have bought it, man. But now it either comes to either I'm chasing price, or it comes down to shoulda, woulda, coulda. I should have done this. I could have done this. I would have done this. So I just got to take the hit. And I've done this a few times on live, so I'm pretty annoyed about it. But I know it comes down to psychology, and I've got a live audience, so it's a bit difficult, you see. So SC, thank you very much for following. Wow, this live is growing. So shit, I got edged on that wick. Oh, this guy, didn't you get in? I thought you were going for buys, bro. CS Bio, NQ, Trading View, TradeAway, can't see hours and price. Brother, this is on the 1 minute time frame right now. And we're trading on, oh, you're on trade, you're saying Trading View, TradeAway, hours and price. So the price is on the right hand side and the time is literally at the bottom. If you can see that there. Yeah, it's at the bottom, but you won't be able to see that at the moment. But yeah, we are live with today's price right now. But if you're following Nasdaq, it's like market close. Danny, brother, zero in the building. This guy's stop loss. I was, but I got edge right where your entry was. Ah, so you got stopped where I entered. Is that right, this guy? Is that what you're saying? Simplex, how did you learn how to trade? Bro, I tell you how I learned how. Harry just followed. Thank you very much for following. Guys, there's quite a lot of you on right now. I tell you how I learned how to follow. I got scammed by a lot of course sellers. That's how I learned how to trade. They fucking done me in, bro. And then I started going on to YouTube, and I started going on to trading platforms. And then I started watching other people trade. But YouTube is the one, man. You just got to find a style of trading that you like, be it market structure, be it order flow, be it my mind's gone blank. Volume profile, market structure, order flow, Wyckoff, support and resistance, demand, supply and demand, or whatever. Danny Energy, I love your energy, Danny. I wish. Yo, Flocky, thank you so much. I wish there was more traders like you. Yeah, I just tell everyone, man. Thank you very much for following, bro. Thank you very much for following, Flocky. Why is it like market close? I can't see sessions if it open or not. What are you on your own platform, or are you talking about my platform, brother? Zoriel, I took my stop loss in profit, so I went for the longs. I said I was looking for when I first joined. Zoriel, where's what's his name? Where's he gone? Where's he gone? I need to bring him back. We need to revive this guy. Where's he gone? Split subject. Split subject. Where you gone? Counter hooks. What you trading, bro? I'm trading Nasdaq, brother. Lower tier. How much you up from this trade? I'm not, brother. I'm not. I would have been up $800. I would have been up $800, but now I didn't actually hit execute on that trade. I should have executed the trade, but I didn't execute the trades. Yes, it's a funded account, bro. It's a funded account. Skillbyte says not funded account, right? Yep, definitely funded account, bro. It's one of my Traderify accounts. So it's fine. It was only risking $250. I can catch trades anytime they come again. I can catch a trade. It's not a problem. No, it's not a big deal that I missed it. My platform are going down. Mo trade breakdown. It's just on the higher time frame we were retracing. So I took it from once price came into a 50% area, price chopped around, and I looked for a nice entry. That's all the price breakdown was. Just following simple market structure. Simplex, can you make money by trading? Of course you can. You can make a lot of money by trading, and you can scale up and make hundreds and thousands a month if you learn it properly. Though you can make $1,000, $2,000, $3,000, $4,000, $5,000 a month. You can only make couple of hundred dollars a month. You can lose tens of thousands a month. It all depends on you and your style and your learning. Oakley, you mean me? Oh no, not Oakley. Oakley's the man, not you, Oakley. I was looking for that split something, split subject, but I think he's disappeared for now. He'll come back on again and he'll throw some punches and he'll leave again. That Simplex, if you learn how, yes, it's very profitable. Zero, you are 100% right. See, this is why I like our community, guys. The community is amazing. Simplex is followed. Thank you very much for following. Nicole has just followed. Thank you very much for following. I'm loving it. Oakley, Danny reject from 170. Daniel James, I can't hedge on Traderify though. You mean hedge as in taking a trade up and down at the same time? Yeah, I don't think they will let you do that. That's something you have to ask them the question. I'm not sure. We can go onto their website and ask them, Jay, are you waiting for a re-entry? I was thinking I might go for re-entry, but the thing is, I would have taken profits here because I'm not too sure about this pink area I've marked out in the background. That's a 30-minute order block. So I'm hoping price does keep continuing up, but it's a danger zone. So right now, no, I'm not looking for another entry right now. I'll have to wait. I can't say exactly. Tio, he do bookmap, no target. Oakley, down to where you think. Tio's coming. Tio's taking punches at Oakley. He's a bookmap, no target. Jay Trades in the building. Yeah, they emailed me about that yesterday as well. Oh, Traderify emailed you about hedging. What did the email say, Jay? Share, if you can share with us, that'd be a lot of information for my guys. They would all love to know. Theodore Tranvade, he really pissed me off what he said. Oh, wicked. J Trades. Yeah, like a change. Oakley, I'm not bookmap. Oakley says I'm not bookmap, bro. What's wrong with you? All right, guys. If you want to join the Discord is for free. Oh my God, we've got 80 people with us live on TikTok. Boom. What's going on? Guys, here you go. The link is in the chat. So you can join the Discord for free. You can join the Discord in the link in the bio on TikTok. 85 people. Wow, everybody just share the like. And also hit the like button as much as you can. If you can hit the like button and share this live as much as you can. And we get as many people as we can today. We've done 120 before. Let's see if we can get over 120 people. Day just followed. Thank you very much for following. Zoriel, TikTok, all algo hitting good right now. Yeah, tell me about it. Down to 129. F5R just followed. F5R, thank you very much for following. Zero Fade Reaper, I need the computer chair. Looks comfortable as F. Bro, it's comfortable. It's juicy, bro. It's soft. It's good for the bum. It keeps the bum nice and soft. Especially when you're trading, you got to sit for so long. So all you're doing is sitting, eating, fucking sitting on a comfortable chair, eating, trading, going for a shit, coming back, and then doing the same thing again, then going back sleep, and then waking up in the morning next day. So guys, this is 90 people in the house. TikTok algo doing its thing. This is what I'm talking about. Guys, you know what you need to do? Max, what's your win rate? Bro, my win rate's not, I've not got a massively high win rate. My win rate's roughly around about 64% roughly. Would it be unrealistic to hit 2900? I don't know, bro, right now. Jay Trades said that they're letting it slide, but now they're enforcing it more. Yes, you're right. They will do. Hedging. They are tracking down on hedging on a lot of prop firms. They don't like it. Tio saying you said I was short. Oakley, oh, Tio getting vexed, man. All right, guys, let me just put the chat on. Let me just show you what's going on in the chat. So here's the chat screen, guys. Here's the chat screen. This is what's going on right now. So yeah, let me just bring it back up. Let me just see. So yeah, Oakley and Tio is just having a little fight right now. We need to get the gloves. We need to get the gloves on. F5R loving it. He's laughing. Tio, Danny said was you. Zero. My bum be hurting after 1 hour with my cheap chair, Racer X. Oh, wicked. Max, that's still good for your good job, brother. Yeah, bro, I tried, but you know what it is? The only reason it is there, it is around about 64% roughly. It fluctuates week to week and month to month, but roughly it's about there. But the problem is sometimes I will take trades that I shouldn't take. Usually I wait for a proper A+ setup, something that I like, and then I'll enter into the trade. But then sometimes I'll take stupid trades, and we're only humans. We'll always make mistakes. There's always times where we think, shit, I can get in a trade and I can make loads of money from that trade, and that trade just completely goes against you, bombs you out. And then as soon as it bombs you out, we as humans, we can't handle rejection, so we go in with the same trade again. This time we oversize, over leverage, force this trade, revenge trade, and then the price goes against us again, and this time it wipes our whole account out because we had to overtrade. So I do make them mistakes. I had 3 funded accounts with Take Profit Trader last week. All 5 days I passed it. Monday I got the funded accounts, and then on Monday evening at 8 p.m. there was no reason for me to trade. 8 p.m. is roughly late New York Eastern Standard Time. I took an entry, oversizing, over leveraging, just because they have intraday trading drawdown. I wanted to get past the intraday trading drawdown, and then it just bombed my account out instantly. So I lost 3 funded accounts that I worked hard for all last week. So yeah, we're only human. We do make mistakes. The only good thing is, on prop firms we can afford to make those mistakes, but in real life, on our personal accounts, and if we had $2,000-$3,000 or $50,000 in our personal accounts, we can't afford to blow that money on our personal accounts. So prop firm game and personal accounts, they're 2 different games. So remember, you have to trade them both differently. Prop firms you can trade like a game, but your real money in your personal broker you can't. Zero. Uncle, did you get into the buy? Yeah, I called the buy out, but I didn't actually trigger it myself. That's so funny. 1 second, I need to block this gold seller right now. Listen, you're blocked, bro. Oakley, Zero saying, did you just call him uncle? And he's laughing his head off. Yeah, you know, Ahmed comes on all the time and he goes, yes, uncle, what are you doing? And then every time he calls me uncle, I'm like thinking, oh, god damn, do I really look that old? But then, to be fair, I am about 40, so I don't mind if someone calls me uncle here and there. Don't call me uncle, you bastards. Yo, Danny on full screen. Oakley, I'm here, man. I'm here. I've changed it. Max, that's trading. Tell me about it, Max. We're not robots. Yeah, tell me about it, bro. We're not robots, man. Mo just followed. Oakley, Danny, it's this music getting the views. Yeah, bro, I've been putting this music on for the past 16 weeks. And only the views have started to just come in now, bro. This funky music. Max, you're so genuine. We love it. Max, thank you very much. I try to be as genuine as possible. I try to be as genuine as I can, guys. Yeah, I don't like to just bullshit people, because bullshitters get caught out eventually. DE40 going crazy. Can we do something over there? You're looking at what? DE40? What's DE40? Alex Snitchman, do you think it's going to short? There's this area here on the 30-minute time frame is an order block. So that's the area that I'm concerned of, this little pink area that I've marked out here. So that's what I was concerned of. But I don't know if price is going to completely keep dumping, because on the higher time frames we are bullish and it was only a retracement. But on the lower time frames, like the 15-minute, 30-minute, this is looking like an order block. So price can tap into it, and there's a possible chance it can, but it can respect this area here, and it also can keep pushing up. So right now I'm sitting on my hands. I wouldn't take a trade. Osman Dank K, thank you very much for following, bro. Zero Senpai. Time to dump again, says Zuriel. Nah, daddy, you look like 30s. Like 30s, bro. Yo, bro, I tried to be. I'm gonna be 41 in November. We can let's see what date my birthday falls on this month. What day? Sorry. August, September, October, November. Oh, it's a Saturday. It's a Saturday. So on Friday, on Friday we'll get a little cake and we'll celebrate my birthday live. We'll do it live, guys. And make sure you hit the follow button and you're with us, so you know exactly what's going on. And also join the Discord, guys. The Discord is for free. Remember, the Discord's free, guys. A lot of free information, a lot of free education. And also from that link you can get onto my, well, not from that link right there. I need to change something on there because that link wasn't working yesterday. But yeah, you can also go on my YouTube channel. Get a lot of education on this channel as well. Free education. Look, you got strategies, you got prop firm reviews that I'll be uploading every other day, and then you've got technical analysis bootcamp that I'm slowly adding to every single day, and then you got stuff on consistency over hype and signal sellers and trade without fear. Trade without fear and fear, the discipline series. So yeah, there's quite a bit of things on YouTube as well, which I'm actually growing right now. So what I was gonna do is, Kevio, what Oakley, bye Nasdaq. Kevio, what are you trading? What pair are you trading? I'm trading Nasdaq, brother. I'm trading Nasdaq. Alex just followed. Thank you, Alex. Danny, I'm in from 320 still. Wow. Oakley in the building. Zero, when I visit London we must hang out. Zero, where are you from, brother? What part of the world are you from? I'm down to hang out with anybody, anytime. Zoriel, sales about to get heavy here. Possibly. Goodbye to my longs. Zoriel's coming. Zoriel's got his gloves on now. Zoriel's like, yo, where is he? Where's Skill? Where's his name? I forgot his name now. But yeah, Zoriel's got the gloves on now. Audit Beaumont, what are you teaching us? I'm not teaching right now, bro. I'm trading live right now. But you can learn from asking questions. You can ask whatever you want, and then we'll try and answer as many questions as we can. Simon, pick the caller, just follow. Thank you very much, brother. Thank you very much for following. Cool beans. Audit, sorry, bro. It was a late reply. Sorry, bro. Audit Beaumont, just follow. Do you know what? I'm getting the messages a bit later as well. I don't know why. Zero Fade Reaper, you're in California. Oh, yes, my brother. Drop me a DM. When are you looking to come to London? Bro? Hey, do I see your Uncle Mo in the building? We've got an Uncle Mo in the building. Minis wrecked me today. I don't know what's going on. Bro, it's just price action. You just got to sit on your hands and wait for price to do its thing, and when you see an entry, that's when you execute a trade. Natalia, thank you very much for following. Natalia in the building. Wow, we've got 91 people with us. This is crazy, brother. Let's push it to 100, then I can go after that. Zoriel, I'm not gonna lie, I entered shorts again. I'm on 5.8. Zoriel, okay, Zoriel, you're gunning for shorts today, man. I just follow market structure. Omar Happy 2.6k up. Omar Happy is 2.6k up. Omar, are you going to continue trading, or are you going to call it a day for today? Nan's Dinners, FBG going up. Nan's Dinners, you're looking at this area, ain't you? So it's like mini type of shitty order block, if they call it on 1 minute. I don't really look at order blocks, but
you're looking at this FVG on the 1 minute time frame, that imbalance. If you see that's going to get respected, and then price might continue shooting up. It may continue. Okay, Market Flow just followed. Market Flow, nice name, bro. Market Flow, do you happen to trade order flow by any chance? Zoriel, happy, fire. Jason Greystone, I'm in London. Oh, wicked, Jason, nice one. I'm from the East Midlands area, but I do travel to London a few times, sometimes a couple of times in a month. It'd be nice to just get together with all the UK lot and just have we can have like a little get together, or we could do a live trading day where we all sit in a room, have an office or something, or we could go out for a coffee. Zero, I'll be there in April next year. That's the plan. Yo, bro, anytime when you come down in April, we'll definitely come and see you, bro. Zoriel, this about to eat all the FVG that made it out the recent upside. Okay, Omar, no more trade. Well done, Omar, well done. Omar, well done for today. 2.6k up, well done, brother. Omar, you're from Rotterdam. Alex Nichman, what's good to risk reward you usually look for? Bro, good risk to reward for me, if I'm on just say a 50k prop firm and it's got $2,000 drawdown before you max, so $2,000 maximum loss limit, I look for about $300 per trade. $300 risk per trade. But then some people oversize, over leverage, but they're the experts that know that, okay, we're going to oversize in this area and it's going to hit our profit target. So you get those guys. But for me, my sweet spot's roughly around $250 to $300 per trade, if that's a $2,000 max drawdown limit. Is it Arcturus? Arcturus just followed. Thank you very much for following, Arcturus. Omar, I'm from Rotterdam. J Trades, we got someone from Rotterdam here. When are you traveling to Amsterdam? You might be able to meet up with Omar. Oakley, Danny, this is gonna dumpy dump. You never know, bro. You don't know which way it's going, Oakley. I don't know. So right now, I went in for that buy, and I think that was the... Okay, Oakley, there's your answer. I don't think it is, bro. I don't know. I might be wrong. I don't know, bro. I might be wrong. I don't know. Jason Greystone, on my way to 600k subs on YouTube. Jason Greystone, are you on YouTube, brother? Jason, my man. Jason Greystone, DM me. Let's do a collaboration together. Light 13, hi, I'm also East Midlands. Wow, Light 13, hit the follow button, DM me, let's chat. Oakley, Danny, would you invite me? Oakley, you don't need an invite. You can turn up, bro. You're always invited. Light 13 just followed. Thank you very much. Jason Greystone, Jason Greystone, would you like to share your YouTube channel? We can all have a look at it. 600k subs. Wow. Nan's Dinners, told gang. Nan's Dinners absolutely killed it. This is my wife here. Thank you very much for that. She's bringing me a cold coffee. Do you want to say hello to the gang? She's getting shy on the camera. So she bought me a coffee, guys. A cold coffee in a pint glass. Look at that. She's like, bro, you've been... She's like, bro, you've been... Can you see it? Oh, here it is. There it is. She's like, guy, she's like, mate, you've been talking for like... Let's have a look. 2 hours, 47 minutes. You're talking for 2 hours, 47 minutes. You need a coffee, bro. You need a coffee, bro. J Trades in the building. J Trades, where you at, J Trades? Light 13 just followed. Omar Happy, yes. Zero, Oakley, long as you don't call him uncle. Yeah, don't call me uncle. We got Fipolaco just followed. Thank you very much, Fipolaco. J Trades went this year after 9 years. Wow, did you? Wow, bro. J Trades, last time I went was for my 18th birthday. Wow. Did you go? Did you yeah, we know why you went. Sibo, I took a nice NQ1 7,500 pips long from 9:30 to 11. Oh my god. Sibo, well done. Well done. See guys, this is where the winners are at. Oh no, I'm good yet. I'll have it. Thank you. Wife's bringing me food as well. This is very interesting chart at the moment, Oakley. Yes, man. Big pumps, then retracement drops. Listen, bro, I could have taken 2 entries, man. Could have taken one entry was here, where I'm trying to aim for that whole area there. One entry was there. That's where trade profit would have hit. If you missed that entry, you could have re-entered again here with this little shitty block, order block, whatever they call it. I don't want to. I don't trade them on 1 minute time frames, but it was off a fair value gap, so that would have been another entry there. Bang! Motherfuckers be making money today. What are you talking about? Nan's dinners, come on, G. I've been backtesting for days now. My best strategy is New York Open, sweeping high lows then. Yes, Nan's dinners. That's what I'm talking about. Oakley award to awkward to trade. It's just price action, isn't it? Like, you got to learn how to trade price action, read market structure, and slowly. But it doesn't mean just because I'm getting it right today and you might have got 1 or 2 wrong, it doesn't mean that you're a bad trader. It just means that you need to stick to your days where you know price is going to go into your area, because everybody in trading has losing days. There's not one person who has 100% win rate and always winning. There's people, there's the biggest experts in the world have losing trades when it comes to retail traders. J Trades, hey brother, uncle. Nan's dinners, test the opposite. Oh, Simran, this is 170 level. It's not letting price go higher. Let's see, bro. That was the order block, so let's see. But it can be a retracement. It can be a retracement again into this area here, and price possibly can shoot. If it breaks past this whole area here, we're going, bro. We're going. John Dispain, the fibs of fibbing, caught that one. Well done, John. Well done, my brother. Chaya Amin Effects just followed. Thank you very much. Killing it. Flocky Flock, I'm up 1.7k for today. No more trading for me. Flocky Flock, absolutely smashing it, brother. Flocky Flock, before you stop trading, well, you have to stop trading. Can you just tell us, are you trading on a prop firm or are you trading your personal account? Shabba Ranks in the building, just followed. Shabba Ranks, thank you very much. Thank you very much for following, Shabba Ranks. I love that name, by the way. Absolute legend. Oakley 205, this is a winning day for me. Yeah, man. Omar Happy said congratulations to Flocky Flock. And congratulations to Omar and Flocky Flock. They both smashed it. And John. Yeah, man. You lot killing it today. John Dispain, price is not erratic today, so fibs are working at the moment. Yeah, man. 100%, bro. Zoriel. To Oakley, yeah, I'm holding shorts though. I'm still holding shorts, wicked. My SL is above 185. Wow, big SL, bro. Wellness just followed. Wellness Wavo 2, thank you very much for following. Nan's dinners, we know about 12 big orders coming to. Most stacks in the building. We are trading Nasdaq, my brother. Is it Eileen? Is it Ilyin or Eileen? Ilyin. Just follow. Thank you very much. I don't know your name, but thanks so much for following. Jamie, thank you very much for following. Mo Stacks, thank you very much for following. Eileen, what are you trading? We're trading Nasdaq. We got World Prestige Elite just followed on YouTube. Thank you very much. YouTubers are killing it right now. Thank you so much. Thank you very much for following on YouTube. Yeah, man. So we're going to be having more videos on YouTube. Now that we're getting quite a lot of people, let me just say, we've got a Discord, guys. My Discord is for free. You can join the Discord for free right now. I'm putting the link in the chat. So there you go. That's the link to my Discord. You can also join the Discord from the link in the bio on TikTok. And if you're on YouTube, you can join the link from the chat. And also you can join from the description. There's a link in the description in YouTube. Eileen, Futures. Yes, this is Futures, Eileen. Am I saying your name right? I don't know. Yeah, so let me just quickly show you guys. So once you open that link up, I'd rather just show you guys. So right now, look, guys, we got no news. No news, so you're good right now. So no red folder news events. I check on fxstreet.com and I check on Forex Factory, because sometimes the prop firms sometimes you might have a red folder on Forex Factory and not on FX Street, or vice versa, and then the prop firms try and trip you up. So you have to be very, very careful with them, guys. But what was I going to show you? I was going to show you, one second, where is it? There you go. So once you hit the Linktree link, you'll get this link here. That's where you can join the Discord for free. So the link is in the chat, the link is in the bio, and the link is in the bio in TikTok, and link in description on in YouTube. Slick just followed. Thank you very much for following, Slick. Nan's Dinners. Wait, who do you use if you can't trade news? Wait, who do you use if you can't trade news? I don't trade. Because I'm a technical analysis trader. I just look at the news events, if there's red folder news events, and then I trade around the news event. So 5 minutes before, 5 minutes after, or within that news event, I won't trade it. So I trade outside of the news time. So I still trade, but just outside of the news times. So if it's only like literally like that 15-minute period around news, I won't trade. Eileen, as a newbie here, can you please explain your entry model? Yes, I can explain my entry model. There's about 80 people here right now. So my entry model is higher time frame analysis. So I do top down analysis. I'll mark out my points of interest on the higher time frame. Once price taps into the points of interest, I drop down to the lower time frames, 3, 2, 1, and I look for further confluences, and then I enter into my trade. Ilyin, he said. Slick just followed. Thank you very much. Nan's Dinners. I've read that. As a newbie here, I've read that. J Trades, check WhatsApp, send you easy read to earning calendars, bro. Yeah, J Trades, I'll check that, but my phone's just in use with TikTok at the moment, but I will check that, bro. I will check that. Wow, I've gone 3 hours into my trading. Look, guys, this trade would have hit, yeah. I missed the trade, so I'm not gonna lie to you all that just joined later. I'm not gonna say, okay, I got this entry and I made $800, blah blah blah. I missed the trade. I actually predicted the trade, and I marked out the areas of interest, and I actually pointed the trade out. I called the trade out before it even played out. So that trade was mine. The thing is, I didn't make no profits on that trade. So that trade went and hit $820. So imagine now I've been sitting here for 3 hours and I've made $820. I sat here for so just say 2 hours, because that trade played out from 11:20 is when it played out. So I sat on the charts for just say 8, 9, 10. So 9, 10, 11. So about 2 hours and a bit. And 1, 2, 3, 4. It only took these 4 candles. So 1, 2, 3, 4. This candle for price to tap into my area, and then this one to come into to take profit to hit $820. I sat on the charts for 2 hours. I found an entry, and that would have been $820 for the day. Where else can you say you make that much money? And all depending on the size, how much I risk. So if I wanted to go in with all 20 of my micros, that trade would have made $1,880 this morning. And then if I wanted to go in like massive on my take profit trader account, which I've blown now, sorry, I've blown it on Monday, that would have been with 30, and that would have made what, nearly $3,000. So yeah, but oversizing, over leveraging, force trading only makes you lose your accounts faster if price goes against you. So I wouldn't recommend that. I'd recommend just sticking to the small base hits if you're on prop firms and just taking it easy. That's the best way to win the prop firms, guys. Do you trade XAU USD? 1 second. Oh, I see you don't want to trade. It's not that you're not allowed to. I see. Yeah, Nan's Dinners. It's not that I didn't want to. I wanted to trade. I just had so much noise around me. Some people kept saying, no, don't sell. Some people saying, no, sorry. Some people saying it's a sell. It's a sell. It's not a buy. Don't buy. Don't buy. It's a sell. And because I was looking at the noise, and then it starts messing with your psychology and emotions when you're trading, and then you start second guessing yourself, and then you don't whack the entries on. So yeah, that's what it was. So that's the reason I missed that trade. Nan's Dinners. TN7U4, do you trade XAU USD? Zoriel. Yeah, I do trade XAU USD, but on futures space it's gold. So I've just got my charts here that I actually on my watch list. So XAU USD is at the top, Euro USD, USD JPY, then you got NAS, German 40, Nasdaq, MNQ, these are the futures, MNQ, GC, so that's gold, S&P 500, ES1, that's for futures, and then you got oil. So they're the only ones I trade. So there's micro golds right now on the future space, and I don't really like that price action. It's very choppy for me, so I wouldn't have traded that today. But yeah, I'm on here. So let's see if price can actually push out of there and close there. I would like that, but I'm not sure if it will today. J Trade, salute brother. If the shorts don't hit TP, I'ma call it for the day. Zoriel, go for it brother, go for it. Yo, my peanut butter toasty. Zoriel, my SL pulled down to 170. Ren Useal, just followed. Thank you very much, Ren Useal. Sorry it's a bit slower, guys. The messages just came in. Young Trade 5 just followed. Thank you. Aris Yas just followed. Thank you. Zoriel, dump it. Nan's Dinners. Yeah, for real, bro. Same concept as practice to funded. Head goes. Haha. Tell me about it. Your head just goes, man. Once the head is gone, don't trade. Once the head goes, don't trade, guys. A lot of people are actually going for buys here. A lot of people are going to take buys. Peanut butter sandwich, Omar. I've been doing so much work, using my mouth for talking too much. My muscles in my jaw are aching. And now the food's hurting my mouth as well. Zero Fade Reaper, you need some aloo paratha with that. Bro, if I told my wife, she would have made the aloo paratha. I'd tell her, bro, I put on weight, man. I'm getting fat, brother. I'm getting fat. So I have to be very careful. Dump it, sells on 3-minute volume increasing. Normally, I would have had my protein yogurt with fruit right now. That would have been good for me. But I'm a bit late for my breakfast. It's 12 p.m. GMT right now. Zoriel, dump it. 7 carats, Daddy boy, 7 carats in the building. In sun, juicy lungs. Zero Fade Reaper. I heard UK Punjabi food is unmatched. Yes, but I can't say that because you're from California and that. But I've never had Punjabi food in California. I'd love to come. I'm gonna come to California actually. I might be coming there. I might be coming California next year because I got diagnosed with multiple sclerosis. My left leg got weakness, and there's this place in America that does these they're called functional electric simulation type things for legs, but they do it in America, but California is where I can actually pick one up from. So I might be coming to California next year. Black Book day trading, thank you very much. Zero, California Punjabi food sucks, lol. Hit me up when you come to LA. I'm 40 minutes from downtown. No problem, we'll definitely meet up. We'll go to a bar and chill. We'll pull our phones out, MT5, and start trading. Look, the sell came in. A lot of people were trying to actually buy from that area there. So I told you, a lot of people are going to actually be trying to buy from here. Pushed up. The sell came in. So Zuriel, I don't know if you're still in or you're out, but I don't know where you are right now. Oakley saying, there we go, bang, keep dumping. I needed to push down here again. Zoriel, they're gonna buy, but it tells me dumps. I'm still in 320. I've done what I needed to do. This was the only trade I would have entered. That one. That's the only trade I would have entered. That's where price was for me. So let me just Zero, but I don't drink. Recovering alcoholic, 2 years, 9 months sober, but they're getting non-alcoholic drink. Yo, bro, we still go out. We still go out. Just because you don't drink, it doesn't mean we can't go out and have fun. Shaquad just followed. Thank you very much for following, bro. Zero. I've not drank alcohol and got pissed since 2020. 6 years for me, bro. And I was a heavy drinker. I used to go out partying all the time. Yeah, we could still go out, chill, party it up. Yeah, I used to be a heavy drinker. But then coming into the trading game, Kutobia, thank you very much for following. Wow, there's a lot of people following. And there's 80 people live right now. That's crazy, man. Yeah. Yeah, what was I saying? I used to be a heavy drinker, man. I used to love partying and everything. And then my son was born in 2020, so I gave up. I gave up everything. I didn't want to show him that lifestyle. It wasn't the best lifestyle. But Vibe State just followed. Thank you very much, Vibe State. Jay Burnley, what we trading gold? Jay Burnley, we're trading Nasdaq, micro Nasdaq, MNQ at the moment. Jay, we got 3 J's in the building, man. Absolutely brilliant. Zero Fade Reba, being sober in trading space is a must. Playing with real money, especially. Tell me about it. You can't be, bro. Look, this is how it is. We as humans, we look for dopamine hits, yeah? Whether that be from gambling, whether that be from alcohol, whether that be from having a joint here and there, whether that be from drinking alcohol. So this is how it works. Let me put my bread down. This is how it works. So when we start drinking alcohol, we have one drink, yeah? The first few times, it doesn't feel that great. It just gets to your head a bit, and then you feel a bit, one second. Yeah, you feel a bit woozy and it's not nice. But then the next time you end up having 2 drinks. Then you get a bit of a buzz. Then you have 3 drinks. Then you get a bit buzzing. And then you have 4 drinks. So the line is not a line no more. So it's slowly going like that. Your taste for alcohol and your levels for it just keeps going up. So same things happens with dopamine hits, because you need that dopamine hit, because like you love it when you get that high, but when you come off that high, you feel like shit. And then you start feeling depressed and nasty. And that's when you got the hangover. And then you have to have the drinks again to get you back onto that level again. But then it gets you back onto that line, because it took you below the line. Now you just gone back onto that line again. Then you drink more drinks to get back onto the level. And now that line's gone bigger. So next time you come off it, you get a bigger hangover. And that's slowly the hangovers start lasting days, and then your body starts getting weaker. And that's why the hangovers start lasting longer. And same thing now happens with gambling, happens with smoking, happens with trading. What happens is you take one trade and you get a winning trade. Your body gets excited. Your brain loves that dopamine feeling. That line goes up. You take another win, it goes up. And at that point, you're probably gambling because you don't know how to trade. So it goes up again, and then you take a loss. And automatically, as humans, we don't like to lose. So we go below the level. So that's where you go below the level when you got a hangover, and then you need another drink to go back up. But then when we take a loss, we go below that level, and then we need another dopamine hit to push us back up. So we might get a win. We might get back onto the break-even level again. But now we want wins all the time to just keep getting on that dopamine level. So that's what the dopamine does to your brain. So we always looking for wins in trading, but you got to bring yourself into like a nice calm space where you're okay, where you know your win rate, where your emotional side's in check, your psychology's in check. So once you got your win rate and your risk management in check, you can take some losses, but you know you're okay because you can get a couple winners that are home runs or base hits that double or triple what you lose every time. So you could keep bringing it back up again. So just say you take a loss 1-to-1. That's why it's very important to respect your stop loss, because if you're risking, just say $200 and that gets stopped, you're minus $200, but your next trade might be a 1-to-3. So you might risk 200, but you're making 600. So your 200 loss just got wiped out. Now you're $400 in profit. That's how it works. Risk management and a win rate. That's what you really need to get up there in your trading. Sorry, I missed the messages. I'm going to go back to the messages now. Zero, no emotions involved. J trades, haha, I've executed trades when I've been drunk and it's never worked. Bro, if I was drunk and I was executing trades, bro, I'd be broke right now, man. I'd put everything on the line. Ruben Jameson, 6,000 to the first 3 people that messaged me. How? Shut up. Ooh, you give 6,000 to nobody. Ruben, for that message, you're gonna get blocked. Zoriel looking for 051 on short. Zoriel's back in the game. J trades Wednesday night watching the footy. 500 in the market, 70 in the pub. Zero fade reaper. J trades, bro. Lol, don't do that. Yeah, trust me, man, don't do it. It's a laugh and a joke when we talk about it, but it's actually really it's bad. It's serious, man, especially when it comes to real money. We got Aji in the building. If you're running losses, join the Telegram for group recovery. Aji, you wouldn't be selling signals if you were totally okay yourself. You're making money from other people losing as well. So Aji, you're blocked, and I'm blocking you after I'm telling you. So now you are blocked, bro. Zero fade reaper. Alcohol and coke was my thing, man. It was bad. you was on the next level, brother. Isabella Costaval, thank you very much for following. Denzel, Jesus loves you. Denzel, Jesus also loves you. 24/7. 24/7 just followed. Thank you very much, 24/7. Wow. I've been on my live for over 3 hours now, guys. Just talking. And it comes to that time where I'm gonna call it a day now, bro. So if you haven't already, make sure you hit the follow button. Guys, if you want to join my live every single day, well, right now I'm just fixing a schedule, what days I'm going to be coming on. But until that gets done, we're going to be live every single day. 8:30 AM GMT London session up until whatever time like this. If it's booming, then I'll stay on for as long as I can. Oakley, this looks good. Oh, this dump is going to be huge. Zoriel, we'll see. Let's see what's happening. Let's see what's happening. Player. So yeah, guys, if you want to join me every single day, 8:30 AM GMT London session up until like today, it's 12 o'clock. Normally, depending on what market structure is like and what markets are moving like, I might be on till about 10:30 AM GMT, 11 AM GMT. Now today, 12 PM GMT. So it all depends, but we are on live every single day. So yeah, if you haven't already, make sure you join us. Good morning, MT4, MT5 robot just followed. Thank you very much for following. Good morning. Yeah, if you haven't already, make sure you join the Discord. The Discord is for free education hub. There's a learning hub on there. So it's something for everybody really, all the learners out there. Even if you're advanced trader, there's something for you to like learn always. There's a community, so if you guys don't have the confidence or anything to chat to people, you can't make friends outside, trading is a good place to be, because you can make friends in my community. So yeah, make sure you hit that link in the chat. The link is also in the bio, and if you're on YouTube, the link is in the description. You can join the Discord for free, and yeah, from there you can get onto my learning hub and all the videos on YouTube, and make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel. But anyway guys, right now I'm gonna shoot off. Bye bye Danny, going to my pool, might also do some sauna. Yes, enjoy the rest of your day guys. Happy trading, enjoy the rest of your day. If you're trading, trade safe like always. Don't oversize, don't over leverage, don't force trade, don't revenge trade, don't create entries that are not there. Don't do it. And happy trading if you're trading the New York session, and good luck to everybody. And I'm gonna be out, and I'll see you guys again tomorrow. I'll be on 8:30 AM GMT London session, both in profit. Good luck to all. Yeah, Zuriel, good luck. John, see you later. Have a good day, bro. J Trades, good luck everyone. See you later, bro. Omar, you too, man. You too, bro. Fuzzy Duck, 112. Fuzzy Duck. Fuzzy Duck. I thought you said to me you're never gonna trade again, and you're back. You're back in the building. See, I remembered you, bro. I remembered you. Fuzzy Ducks just followed. Fuzzy Duck, make sure you join the Discord. Keto, delicious, 10M, long trade now. I'm not in a trade right now. The trade is already gone. The trade that was long was this one. That was the trade. I'm not in a trade right now, brother. So yeah, don't take anything. I'm back, baby. Make sure. Yeah. We'll talk, Fuzzy Duck. We'll talk. Keto, delicious. Not a long trade, no. Trader Chris, why you have a limit there, bro? It was because of this trade only. It's not because of it wasn't there before. It was just an earlier trade. Probably because you just joined us, you probably don't realize, but it was from an earlier trade. Fuzzy Duck, I have a loose and direct night now. Fuzzy Duck, all I'm saying is trade safe, brother. Trade safe. Right guys, I'm gonna be out. I'll see you guys again tomorrow, 8:30 AM GMT London session. But then just join us and as you wish throughout the day, but before 12. So yeah, roughly around about 12 o'clock I'm gonna be gone anyway. So yeah, London session. I'll see you guys, and make sure you join the Discord. The Discord's for free. Jay, I'll see you later. Zoriel, J Trades, Omar, Fuzzy Duck, Keto, Trade Chris. I'll catch you guys later. Take care. Enjoy the rest of your day. Saeed just followed. Oh my god, the followers just keep coming in. Make sure you keep smashing the follow. As soon as I get 5,000 followers, I'm gonna give out a Tradeify 50k account. I'm gonna do a spin the wheel. See you later guys. Take care.